fifth generation.
Exactly.
The woman father come from Jamaica, she rude. The woman are more Jamaican than Mark Golding and that. You see how she too? She did that one too.
Me tell you.
She come down now, man.
Yeah, man, for she mix up with Mark Golding and we find our boss go with Golding, not she done for me, done with she.
You see when them do her in the election, them tell her, them cuss her and tell her say she must report.
Well, Munchie, there's an opportunity there here. We have a power play up on the live right now in Chops Media. Chops Media.
Yeah, you know, I'm a busy man already, so take him up there.
We have to talk to young Jamaica. I have a connect with them. I want you to strengthen the results because here's the idea.
Can you hear this one?
Here's the idea. Young Jamaica need to go into schools, starting ASAP, to spread the word and prepare the kids for the scholarships that are being awarded. Remember, the Dr. Barwin scholarship of 500 million for 5 years. This and 4 years that follows, right? 500 million a year. Remember, there's also the $650 million allocation for scholarships also. Remember, we just removed the two guarantor thing that with a black whole heap of people from Student Loan Bureau.
Big deal.
We have also the heart initiative that we're going on with. We want to be targeting individuals going into the school, and the way of society and advertising work right now, it's really an influencer thing. So the young Jamaica being the influencer side and the youth arm, we want them going into the school. We're going to put in this idea. We want to talk with them. We want to help as much as we possibly can to get them in there for the mentorship. Because yes, we want to, replenish and even build the numbers within the health sector as well as straight across Jamaica, because as the Prime Minister have already admitted along with the opposition leader, we are living in a low skill, low income.
Yes, who are going to build the country if they're not bringing the young people them of this generation? Who is going to build the country?
That is it.
Yeah,
low
look
skill,
here now.
low wage economy we're living in, and in order to change that, we have to invest in the human capital by empowering and educating the people, and we want to focus on the youth. Right now, we have to get in there, make them know. If you think about nursing, if you think about this is what you'll need. Focus on these subjects because the money set up aside ahead of you, waiting for you to come
and I know loan. It's not no loan. Look here
not
now.
a loan. These are
I am pledging 100 US right now. Me I pledge 100 US for the bus tour. How much for the bus tour?
We are going to work on it, man. We are going to work.
Right.
And the next thing again too, it's not just Jamaican scholarships that are available, because if you have really good grades, you can get scholarships from schools abroad too.
Of course.
You can get full ride scholarships to study abroad from schools who offer these things, because Princeton offer it, Cambridge offer these things, Howard offer these things, but you just need to have the right grade, along with the right GP and performance and everything else that is needed. When you apply, you win this scholarship.
And take the SATs.
You know what I want to see published? Right now, there is $650 million in scholarship at the Ministry of Education. I want to see the beneficiaries being published. I want to know who got these funds, because we're not hearing about the scholarship and who.
You have to volunteer, Philippine. I can't just put out the information.
No, they posted the names of the ones from the health sector. You know.
Yeah, I know that one, but I'm
but for the
talking about
650 million, this is 650 million. I was waiting for that to happen too. I said it on the live the other night. I'm waiting for that to happen. The award ceremony. They should just do everything in a one and just put it out there. Because this is also a way to inspire other people to get involved.
Right.
You know, some.
Yeah, man, they know about it, and each member of parliament, this is the one that the member of parliament.
That's the hard program. That's
I'm not talking about the hard
care program.
No, not the hard program, not the care program.
Oh, okay.
It's a separate initiative that came down through the Ministry of Education, where MPs were asked to submit persons for scholarships, and that program came through the ministry, comes directly through the Ministry of Education. So let's say for educational assistance or grants for tertiary education, usually come through the MP. The MP would do all the legwork, all the paperwork through CDF and get that funding. This time, all the MP had to do was to submit the names going to the ministry. The vouchers came, and the students' money is paid from the ministry directly to the institution that they attend. And that 30 has been submitted already for most constituencies. So, and that is separate and apart from the heart program, the care program that you spoke about earlier. So there's initiative. I'm confused now with the amount of initiative that is out there. But you're right, Travi and others. Organizations and affiliates of the JLP, such as Young Jamaica, G2K, they cannot be confused because they need to be loaded with this information. And as you rightfully say, they need to be out there. I think the average TikToker, JLP supporters who are not really attached to the party in any formal way, they are doing a much better job at spreading the word.
Chopper. Thank you.
Of the JLP, and that is a problem. It has been a problem. It has been a problem, my sister Natalie.
They
It has
have
been
no
a problem for
social
a
media
while.
presence, Chopper. None of them
Poor.
not turn on their phone and the TV so then go live. Nobody.
An organization such as G2K then with a mandate to recruit young professionals and all of that good stuff. The GLP today is 150% different or 150% more popular than it was when we were in opposition. So the mandate that that G2K had then cannot be the same mandate now. So this profiling and just talking about young affiliate and professional arm and recruiting professional. You don't need to recruit anybody because people are knocking on the door of the JLP to come in. Professionals as well.
Facts.
Right.
So you should change your mandate and now start to look at how can I be more effective. I'm a good organization. I have good people in here. How can we be more effective in what we do? Do we now get on the ground? For example, low-hanging fruit that you guys spot on a while ago. Low-hanging fruit. Just list the things that the party, the initiatives that the party has out there, and go on a campaign. Instead of waiting for people to come to you, go out there and sell it.
Thank
Go
you.
out there and sell it. Do some stuff that can go out there and sell it. Recruit people for it.
And I say this to you, Chopper. It's this idea is such a broad and effective one. It's not just about campaigning right now. But like the Prime Minister rightfully say, we're in a low skill, low wage environment, right? And we have people who are graduate from school and are going to the world of work. If we can start preparing them, then we're gonna have a better society, because really that's one of the jobs of the government, to improve our society. And right now,
Travi, Natalie, and Munchie, everybody who is on, listen to this. Because I can tell you this, it's a waste of time trying to convince Young Jamaica or G2K to do this, right? It's not going to happen. I'm not convinced.
Whoa.
Right? So here's what I think. And I'm being honest. Look, the two presidents.
I agree.
The two presidents, I'm a friend them. I'm a bridging them. I'm a talk to them already. Even before the new president of G2K came in, I said, Bridging, you have to change the mandate. You have to go in a different direction. Nothing happened. So here's what I'm saying. And we have numbers, We have numbers and we have dedicated people. We don't have to physically on the ground. We have numbers and we have people. And this not have to be a GLP or PNP initiative. This have to be our initiative, as in TikTok or social
Patriotic
media.
Jamaicans.
Yes. Where we can now start a campaign where we can go and identify these people who have the need. Because let me tell you something. There is not a single Jamaican today who has a need that cannot be assisted in Jamaica. None.
Chopper, a couple of days ago,
no Jamaican that you can run into. There's not a single Jamaican that you can run into today in the streets, in the markets, anywhere at all, that have a need, whether it's medical, educational, housing, that cannot be assisted. There's programs for every single problem in Jamaica. If your teeth want brush, Tufton will brush it for you.
So we talked to two young people a couple of days ago in rural Jamaica, just graduated high school. I said to them, say, when you go to college, them say, Lord, me nah no money. Them not have no information. No information. So me I say, when you say, when you no money, what do you mean by no money? They must say them have to go sign up for loan and then have no money to pay back the loan.
Exactly.
Them don't have no information, and that's why I come over here now and tell them to say, if the government doesn't find a way, whether through the youth arm or whatsoever, to inform the country, then this is gonna be very problematic because the disinformation is gonna prevail.
Here's where I'm at, Nats, with this thing here. The application process doesn't start after you do your CXC and all of that. That's where the problem is. A lot of
Exactly. You go to school before they graduate.
start the application process after way long before. Listen, the moment you enter 11th grade, you do the application process and you start what you need to do.
Pravi, I hate
What
to
tell them
interrupt you, but why is
something
it?
there?
Why can't we? Why can't we formulate a plan? Because me like the action part of it. You know? Me like no, so we can do something about it. We see the problem, we identify the problem. Don't ask G2K, don't ask Young Jamaica. It's a waste of time. Let us do it.
No, you don't say that. I don't agree with that, chaps. What you mean by don't ask?
Nuts. Believe in nuts. Me frustrated. We can't even get them to come online and talk about what the government do. So what we are going to do? Tell me what you think.
Make somebody who say ever the president of the G2K.
On lives and TikTok.
Let us do it ourselves. We can do it, you know. It's simple. I said to them the other day.
Why do you have a G2K then? They need to do their job. If
they are doing their job, you know, but remember their job is, you remember what their jobs are. Remember they spoke about their scope, you know. Their scope is to attract young professionals. They are doing that. That's fine. But I'm saying to you, I don't think that's what they need to do. Their scope need to change. You see what Travis, when you guys, remember me just come on the platform a minute ago, you know, and I was so happy to hear what you guys are discussing. You see that cohort of students that graduates every June, July, they're about?
Yeah.
You need to get into the school and go recruit them from at that point. You need to go in
September morning.
Full. And you go in there and say, who come from our constituency, Central St. James, needs to go in every school, every high school, and go target that 17-year-old who is going to graduate. Them are few people. You're going to dig them out now and you sign them up.
Get them. Listen, go over the application process for them, for those who think they will need student loan bureau, as well as people who are applying for the scholarship. Go over the application process. Let them know the avenues. Let them know, yo, you're going to need.
Let's do it.
I'm disappointed in a G2K. I'm not lie. I'm disappointed.
The truth is not that they're not doing anything in Natalie. The problem is, and this is just my view, I might be wrong, right? I believe the problem is that what they are mandated to do, they are doing it. But that is not something that me and you are going to see, you know. Because everybody will recruit, we not going to know.
What age young, when them say young professional, what age limit is that?
They deal with colleges, they deal with the UE and they deal with the universities. Young Jamaica would deal with more like...
They must start younger than that. They must start
with university. That's their target.
Chaps, hear this. This what we are discussing, and this idea we are trying to formulate. It's not just about recruiting people for the party.
No. It's about people accessing what government actually have.
It's about informing the people, because when people go vote, people vote based on the information that they have.
You have to go on a green shirt. You just go and make sure say young people have access to what government already prepared for them. They just don't know.
People are going to vote based on the information that they have or they don't have. So if the people don't have the information, the positive information, the right information, they are going to vote based on ignorance and propaganda.
There you go. And sometimes they are intimidated by the process too. So people who know the process need to go in and show them that it's not that difficult.
Exactly.
It's easy.
Especially when they're young.
You know something too, guys? Everybody tend to assume, say, because them on social media, them have access to Wi-Fi and internet and everything. Them believe say everybody have it. You have some rural communities where some of them not even like no run where them they pitney the gas, live and gas school. And you want appeal to those people. You want make them know say, listen, This are what available to you, and if you don't know to access it, this is how you can reach me or reach this person who can help you to access it and navigate the system. Because a
Exactly.
lot of people who we expect say I go relay the information to them not do it. Like me know people where when you talk to them about the hard program and the recruiting of the 30.
Job was to help the students and the young people in the community with them homework, try to give them positive affirmations, try to get them to be productive, and you know them way they cause you know where ghetto people said we. And back then we never have no cellular phone, we never have no social media. You know how I know about HCDC? Me used to go St. Andrew Primary School at Spanish Town Road. Never seek no information and nobody now come to them about no information. Social media and devices, it has made a lot of people way too lazy. Them done with grassroots. Them done with grassroots activism.
And that's to add to that too. Some parents are not interested, although they may be a politician on each side. Some of them not have the media, because even the deep rural part of the country, them not even follow up Facebook like that, because them Wi-Fi or them data may finish by the time you're on Twitter, by the time you're on this platform or so. Because even they was talking to a young lady, not so young because she have children, and even current affair they don't know, they don't follow. And I was saying to her, our finance minister gone to the IMF, and she said true, when that happened, I me talk to some of my cousins in the part of country and them not have no clue either.
We stop go to the people. We stop go to the
They're
people.
not up a member there of this party also, and them not know is when me call and I share the information. Never say then when this happen, what happened, what.
We stop going to the people, and that's the
What is
problem.
happening in current affair and all of this.
Social media politics alone cannot lead a nation. We have to do better.
Listen, maybe I strongly believe that Nats, and like I said, you know, I was thinking this thing and for hear you and Munchie come and I say it out loud. We never have a prayer conversation. It's like it will just get me fired up and going on it. Like I said, I'm already have already started the discussion with Blake, who is the president of Young Jamaica. I already have my people who me I work with behind this. We've been in the text now, and it is being worked on as we speak. It is a good idea. You understand, Chops? Frustrated.
So this is somebody in the comments that said, "My young Jamaican, G2K."
He was a G2K
whatever.
chairman. I've been communicating with him. He was a chairman in G2K, and he confirmed the age group that the G2K target 16 upwards. That's what he said, and 16 are the perfect age, because these are the time we have to prepare them for college and adulthood. And I strongly believe in it. Not like I'm serious. Anytime anything happen, me I definitely tag you, because listen, you know why we can connect like this, and even though we don't have prior conversation, we can think the same way, because it is what's true. We are really looking out for the betterment of Jamaica and the children of the country. And that's why we'll have the same thoughts. We have to get the youth them prepared to access these benefits, because the country are running away nowhere. We are talking about over $1 billion of government funding going into education for young people. Come on, man.
And can I tell you something? As somebody who lives in the diaspora, I left Jamaica when I was 15 years old. And at this point in time, I'm here. I'm already here. I started a family here. I'm doing fine here. But the truth of the matter is, everybody cannot leave Jamaica.
That's it.
And therefore, the younger generation, them were younger than me. Me not really old still, you know.
Yeah.
But the younger generation, them were younger than me. Me not really want to see them migrate. I want them stay there and build a country.
Exactly.
Because me and people we come from Jamaica in my age group and whatever, we they build this country. So who are gonna build our country?
Right. But even Shika, if you have forward box, we're talking about the many scholarships that are being offered by the government and reaching the youths who we should be the target audience. We're talking about how to get them informed, approaching them through school, getting them prepped by offering mentorship, bringing the information to them to say, yo, if you are thinking about nursing, these are the subjects you need to, focus on. These are the pass marks they should be getting, and this is how you'll get the funding from here. So, yeah. So,
and this is what we call free education. So you say, all who talk off them mouth, one of us start calling it free education because it is free education.
It's a scholarship, it's not a loan, right? Even though loans are now easily available and everybody will get scholarship, because out of the thousands graduating each year, the government is not right now. We know Jamaica in the state to provide scholarship for everybody. But
we're just the most vulnerable and poor.
Right, we're at a place right now where we can do better than we can do things that we previously couldn't do, because 650 plus 500 million, that's 1.15 billion dollars in scholarship each year. I mean, no, as more things come into fruition based on the investment and the economical levels and buffers that Mr. Clark has set up, more money will be coming available, and as
it's an investment.
As we pay down the debt more, we're going to have more money to invest in human capital. So what we want to do is get the information to the youth, them in a high school, say, hey, because like Nat said, she talked to young girls who just graduate, and all them only thing for not going to college is money upon their mind. Oh, we don't have the money, so we don't even think about it. Letting these children know from early, say, hey, there's other avenue. It's not just what you can do for yourself, but your country can do something for you too, so that one day you can do something for your country.
How many young people you think in a rural Jamaica when not have no information? And them just know, so them come from a poor family, them can't afford to go college.
A lot.
And them don't understand.
And that should be no deterrent. Money should be no deterrent from getting an education.
Them don't understand how the student loan work, Natalie. Them think so when them borrow the money, like them borrow $100,000, them have to go pay it back after they done the one term. They don't understand.
No man, the information.
Time.
The government have failed my information. I been say it, Ask them people over here. So I been say the government need to have somebody at a podium talking to the country every day. And also
the young people
G2K for them on the ground, because there's nothing like going to the people and talking to them directly. Look them in their eye. Hear what they have to say.
Not if I was the head of Young Jamaica or G2K, with the permission, can I make sure tell me that I do not know for money, I make the party know. Every information where them put out, especially benefiting young people, would have me briefing and me two people that tell me, and like so we are list out whatever. And 5 o'clock me I keep a press conference. Me I invite the press, and me I put them up a Belmont Road, and me I say, like when they do at the White House, and me I brief the young people them. This is what the government doing for the whatever back to school. This is what every day.
Exactly.
Every day me I keep a press conference 2 o'clock nights. I'm a job. Nothing for do. I would call a press conference every single day.
You know, you can come out at the press conference one day a week. How does that help anybody?
Me I brief the country every day with lipstick for me. I'm a job in the night. I would have been have a briefcase, you see.
Tell them say you want to work, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna put a lipstick on my mouth every evening. I'm here to talk about the health. So this is what you want, the health, whatever. I mean, everything every day me something to talk about.
Exactly.
Next day, school open, I talk about opening of school and the policy, whatever. Student loan, whatever. I mean, I take questions from the media for every day.
Listen, Nats. You see, if these people were forward thinking and it's a lot of these orientations that them are going to, put the word in them. When you just enter high school, but hey, I make them know what I want.
Yeah. Every day me I keep press conference. Then I tired to see me on TV, I'm a weekly press conference me I keep. And like it, and then after I make myself familiarize myself and get myself very dignified on that, me start to write letter to the head, to the board of the school, ask if me can come speak to the student them one day on the Thursday or whatever. I'm asking permission me do the right and proper way.
All the JDF are going to school.
I'm going to my file jacket with my briefcase again, Nats.
The JDF are going to school them to talk to the young boy them also.
About requirements, health and all of that, and training, everything. Make them know, say
Yeah.
And not just everybody go jump into tertiary education and all of that.
Yeah.
We can't get
I mean,
into
now we're no
we can't get
greed
into this,
because
we
we're
can't get into
never.
this.
Mm-hmm.
True, not true, 100%.
Let me tell you something. You see, if you run a government and run a country, in this time, you have to know the dynamic of communication. You have to know how to navigate disinformation. You see, if you don't know that, you're not going to be successful. What I see right now in the government of Jamaica is that it doesn't seem like them understand, say, we're function now in a society where you have the influencers, you have social media, you have, kids who are different from even 2 generations back. I think they're more forward thinking, they're more quick, they're more receptive to 1-minute videos and things like that. And it's like, if you don't know how to navigate this space, you're going to get eaten alive by the disinformation.
See, like Mark needs to go on platform and tell like last night.
Not only that, Nads, but we're going to start to have success story. People who, access the system and is getting forward. People who just get access.
I make a talk.
Let me give a minute, the Rusty. Come through. Let me hear what you have to say.
Evening, bless up to everyone.
Evening.
Respect nuts.
Yeah, man.
Always love when you're on,
Yeah, man,
And
thanks.
personally, let me tell you this, it don't matter to me if it's a PNP or is NEP at all or a Labour right. What I like about you, you're factual, you're truthful, and you're not misinformation nobody.
I'm in love my country. Don't forget
You're
that
not
part.
bull, no bounce, and no googly.
Yeah, man. Respect. Thank you.
I appreciate that, boy.
Yeah, man.
I see the guy when he you Richards almost a cry yesterday.
For
Say, him now go back on a PNP live.
rotted.
Yes,
Then look him
him
now,
not go back on
yeah.
a PNP live because him not telling a lie. And I respect that with him.
Oh God, really?
He's been telling a lot of lies, but the chicken come home to roof now and can't take it no more.
Them not telling
Nah
us.
work, cause them cuss him out wicked and all, threaten him,
You see it?
My counselor, Madam Darnett Foster, would you mind gracing us with your presence tonight? We're just having a conversation about the different opportunities for education throughout Jamaica and how we would inform.
All right. Well,
Flowers, lend me a box. Let me get a box prepared just in case she decides to come on. I'm a parish mate,
Take it, Travis.
And if
all right, here's what I really want to say now.
Take it, I'm kind of busy.
The problem we have with the youth them is not the youth them not listening and don't know and don't realize what going on. The problem we really have with the youth them is the old concubine them we say them are comrade. A poison their mind so they know say everything alright. Them see it in their eyes, everything alright. The government around the country, good the education system, but better than what it used to be, living condition, everything, all kind of social program, welfare, the country is running good. And them know, but guess what happen? In the street, them know that, but when they go home and their mother and their father come with them can't go on like they know that. They have to preach the same old rhetoric. So, even though them still are going, the people them were 50 odd like me and 60 little bit and 40 only. They say them a comrade. They say, from them born, them a comrade. Them don't have a clue why them a comrade, but them a comrade. Those are the people poisoning the youth them mind. And that is the reason why you see me get so angry sometimes and go on dark. When you see them come on the blouse and skirt media with the whole heap of lie. And that is the reason why you hear me talk all the while. I don't want to talk to them. I don't want them on live.
All right.
It's a waste of time. It's a waste of time.
Hold on, guys. Pause the Rusty.
Yeah, when you give them the platform for chat all type of shit, you want them to listen.
Father Rusty. Pause a minute then, Father Rusty. One winner and I comment. One winner, me know if you want a box, me can borrow a box. But hold on,
you want to borrow my box?
No man, stick around, man. More importantly, we have Councillor Darnett Foster from the West. Where you can't see a division again, Cornwall Mountain Division.
That don't look good at all.
The Cornwall Mountain Division. So much going through my head. I'm so excited for you to be here.
You don't know how it is. Come on.
No. So much excitement. I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
I'm the counter for the Cornwall Mountain Division. In
Travi, you have
Central.
to go down for this. You have to go down for this, Travi.
Remember when time Mark Golding came to Westmoreland to build that house for the lady, you know?
Yeah.
And didn't look about the building plan, you know? I was the one that licked him and boxed him a couple times. You never remember that? Come on, don't do that.
Forgive him, he's nervous. He's nervous.
Do that.
Nervous.
Hardest working counselor.
Listen, man. Listen up, my counselor. I know you're the hardest working counselor. Come on. Ted Brown, make sure so we hear that every day in our ears. You understand me? But you know, I'm so excited to have you on the program. I am so excited to have you on the program. When I see you join, I'm say, oh man, let me invite you. And you know, me send the invite and you accept it. Trust me, Rusty attack, but me just say, hurry up, Rusty, hurry up, Rusty, hurry up, Rusty, hurry
My
up.
friend Rusty, you know, we watch Rusty in almost every day.
Yeah.
That's my friend. He don't even know that, but I watch Rusty Neil almost everything he put out. I'm on it.
Yeah, she always up on the live them. I see her all the while pop up on the live them.
Yes.
No man, she's a real one. You know? She's a real one.
Anyway, you're there.
She's a real one.
Herself. Understand?
Mr. Dan, beginning of this world from 1967. That means it's about the whole of the 70s. See, I mean, can tell you, say, me been through it with PNP. Me been too hungry. Me been through I wear one shoes and can't get none to buy cars. Watch you know, no? The shoes when I store them.
Never set your worse.
Rusty, I think we need to find a way how to reach people. I think former Minister Ardisha used to have that tone of voice that resonates with people when he speak, right? I think Minister Bobby Montague have that voice also. We need some voice like that to when they put out something out there, people listen.
Yeah. But I need that, sister.
Councillor, whole heap of people on TikTok here have the voice and I spread the message. I think the party need to modernize themselves. Like how you see the Democratic Party modernize themselves where they have to fight Donald Trump because the business as usual when they used to say, oh, when they go low, we go high. You know, so they don't know that this area. They go right down in the gutter with Donald Trump this year and fighting because they realize the man them a deal with. I think the Jamaica Labour Party, if you take off them jacket suit, take off them white gown and let's play dirty with the People's National Party. Because
guys, we need to inform the country properly.
Yes,
these people are not. Them are not PNP. Them are not PNP. You know, tell the people them say them are rise movement.
Them are people. This government that has done more for the children of this country more than ever before. More than school.
Munchie.
There was no back to school treat.
What the government for do for back to school?
Medical.
What the government must do for back to school?
Ask Mark Golding.
I was searching and I didn't see Mark Golding do anything at all for back to school.
Nothing at all, you know, do Miss Darnett for the picnic on a jungle. The plenty of water in the school round, no school open this man and me say that even water they don't have to wash their hand and them zip it tidy.
Done it.
Yes.
We also want you to clear up something where Miss Chang say, don't Westmoreland, you know, oh shit.
Yeah, wait to get to that part of conversation because really and truly, Auntie Danik and Auntie Miakala, you know, right? Hear me now, Auntie. You have to stay in the space and stay active with us because they're actively spreading lies about our part of the island. Understand? And Miss Chang has come on to lives with some of my friends here, some of the family here, and said some things. And even in private messages, he had said some things that, you know, not really add up. So me bring Petal kind of is privy to the information as well as Winner. I think it was Renz also. I wish Renz was on because Renz was on.
Before, quick and fast. When I just started political vlogging on social media, because I'm a man, we had the rusty. You know, afraid then kill you. I'm just kill me for what? If talk the truth. And I was bombarded with people like Travi, Munchie, Chops, Chucks, till me start get the John, man, that youth is a brilliant youth. Learn fast and doing it the right way.
Here now, guys.
Chang,
Me have check out here now.
information. I mean, I say nobody a talk about
We're
Not-
gonna
this.
put our life on the line
Thanks
with
thanks for
them.
being with us, you know.
Yeah, man.
You say,
Why
I
them
love
can't
our
come out
country,
and
you know.
do it too?
That's why me resonate with your message and your work, you know, because I love of country.
Yes, yes.
I'm see how I do it, so for that, my respect.
Yeah, man. Thank you very much. We will catch up again, guys.
All right, later.
Yes, take care of yourself.
Winner, the question you have to ask, very important question. Winner, unmute your mic and come in. Hold on the people. Yeah, we want to clear up.
So there are allegations that come forward from the media.
Somebody want mute their mic.
I have never traveled. You see,
Sorry, I had to disconnect you, Verona, because the noise we are come through and we are trying to mute your mic and it now work. Really, we have to get some order now. We have to have a decent discussion like we've been having before. I will get you on to get your comments some other time, but the part here, let me just get this part out the way.
All right, so some a particular councillor is saying that he did not receive any monies regarding post and pre-hurricane burial. And we know that the government, as well as central government, as well as the minister of local government, would have made allocations for monies before for right? And after the hurricane for care packages. Is it that these monies were sent to the municipal corporation of Westmoreland and the council did not get those funds? Did you receive those funding?
All right. We did not get any funding for care package.
No?
Okay, there were no funding for care package. We was told that we were going to get a $500,000 to do care package. I think the minister asked us to send in the invoice and the names of the persons that's supposed to receive these care package. We did that, and we are now awaiting funds.
So
Interesting.
the hold up is on the minister's side or the municipal corporation?
The minister is supposed to send the funding to the council. It's not there yet.
Oh, okay.
I have a question. Do you have a drawdown you can
So every month we normally get 500,000 for PRF. Sometimes the PRF might be late, but it will come. I think we are behind now. I think it's July. We didn't get for July.
PRF you didn't get for July.
July and August now.
So what is the communication regarding this?
It's regular. What happened, you know? The PRF always come a month or two behind.
Oh.
What
That's how
about
it
the
come.
money, Miss Darnett? What about the money for the burial? Remember the money where Mr. Rhoda give to fear councillors?
Right, so at the council we don't get any burial money. These money goes straight to the MPs.
And the MP them share them. Okay.
So the MP do whatever they want to do with the funding.
Okay.
At the council we're supposed to get some care package, but we don't get it yet.
Quick question. Was the drain cleaning exercise and debushing done in your constituency pre-burial by your member?
All right, so all of us have funding that we can do drain cleaning. All of us have funding. So when we get to our PRF, we can use it to do drain cleaning in our division. But what happened, I think maybe the PNP, what they start a partner plan. So the partner plan that they started, it cut into their PRF. So they only get a portion of it to spend each month.
That sound like them a CFA local government elect. That sound like them a CFA.
Them don't spend the funding. They have it there. So each month somebody from all right. So each month they might have 2 persons that get a drawdown of the partner that they are showing.
Very
that clear up
interesting. So
everything.
if they never pass the plan,
The 500,000, because honestly, I got a lot of beating for it. When I heard it on the program, I got a lot. I was trying to call somebody about it, but I got a lot of beating for it because persons in my division, they are asking me what about the care packages, but I didn't get any. So I have to keep because they are showing me the TikTok where it was said that each council get 500,000 for care package, but we didn't get that.
So,
But we get funding for water. We get funding for water. We get since from ever since I'm at the council from 2016, and it's always like a month behind R2.
That is the care packages.
No, not
Yeah.
the care package will come in.
No, I know, but the PRF is something that is sure. It will come. But I'm talking about that one-off money regarding care
that
packages.
one-off money. I can tell you this.
Yes.
Our minister, whenever he put out and send anything to the council that we're going to get funding on, it must come. It's not as if it's now come or he just tell us it must come. He never tell us yet that there will be funding and it don't turn up.
All right. So what I'm trying to ascertain is that it is late for Westmoreland municipal corporations?
I don't think. I think every corporation, because I call a mayor, one of our mayor, and he told me that he didn't get his funding yet.
Okay.
I called a mayor in Kingston too. As a matter of fact, he called me and said there's no funding yet.
So I would personally apologize. To on behalf of our community.
you now apologize to her when you try to take me to the community.
I will.
Me tell you already. Me tell you already.
I had it.
Give me a second, please.
Let me take the community. Hold on. Let me take the community out of it.
No, winner. Hold on, winner.
Hold on. Me have to say what.
No, hold on, my friend. The mayor of Maypen said the minister asked that the corporation do the funding and he will reimburse the money. It's not a case like that in the Westmoreland.
I don't think. I don't know.
Westmoreland can't afford it because Westmoreland Municipal Corporation now bringing that kind of revenue.
What's an equalization fund? Because the mayor spoke of it in the same video you speak.
Equalization funds come straight from the minister.
Okay.
Not that they're not bringing the money, Travis, them and thief up the money, so there's no money to do that, nothing, and they have to wait for the money from government. But look here, we know you can come back in and do your apology, but I'm tell you something about Miss Chin, Miss Foster. No apology now come from me from Miss Chin, because when Miss Chin there look vote down at Westmoreland, she was trucking water, fixing road, helping people, them bar, helping with everything.
So for me, as a lot of persons say, when you're playing the domino and when you're outside of the game, you see everything.
Yes.
And you see everybody hand.
Yes.
When you're
coming down, right.
Play. Right. Yeah. So that's what happened to a lot of comrades, because they're saying, oh, I'm going to fix this road, I'm going to fix that road, I'm going to clean this joint. But when they
when she come in, she a ball and I make life. And I apologize to her winner. She created only for mischief when she out of the door.
She made a video.
Money.
She made a video before which we beat her upon. Me not see any more video.
Make she find the money when she look vote. She get garbage truck to come pick up garbage out of her packet. She give out care package. She give out water. No when she win
She wash plate, she wash dirty clothes.
She wash plate, she sweep yard. She cook pot. All of a sudden, when she win, we not have money. Spend your own money. We not have empathy for you. Go back to
let's
So the only funding that we don't get as yet is the care package. That's all.
She have money for water. She have money for water. She have money for road. She have money for everything else. Then done.
Let it be known, though, Petal. Let it be known to the people of Jamaica and the people of Westmoreland that the PRF money that they get on a monthly can be forwarded by a councillor and not be spent unless the supervisor, that's what they call it, the supervisor of the municipal corporation. I don't know if that's the correct name. He's second in charge.
No, that's the superintendent of roads and works.
Superintendent, unless the superintendent in charge of a municipal corporation calls upon that council to say, how comes you have so much money sitting in your PRF and not utilizing them? No, if that superintendent is in bed or sided with a particular party, he doesn't have to highlight it. And what is happening is that these people can hold on to these PRS funding and wait until election and then come in and they make one bag of spending and make it look good. Like, oh, see me take care of you, when they had all of those money sitting for the longest while, and the people tend to suffer. The people of Westmoreland need to call on their council to say, listen, me know so you get that the money a month time. Or you now fix me road, or you now clean me drain, or you now do the bushing, or you now help the community because school and all of these things.
The people of Westmoreland is gullible.
Right.
No offense, Miss Dan, but some of them very gullible and easy if it trick up. Because PNP has have that constituency from 1962, and they're supposed to have everything, or them supposed to be living better than how them a live now. And they shouldn't be, people still should not trick them up like them band with them mother Ghana market. Then council should not show a partner plan with their money, because it not benefit them. Because if my councillor get $500 to spend that month of July, I want him to spend it. Not trying to damn partner and wait for the money next 3 months. I want the money to be spent now. That's what the government give you to do. So therefore,
Munchie, if them not get the $500, the 500,000 in time, there are drawdowns that they can use.
Then I have no drawdown, Philippine. A year, Chabi said, then them out and thief out that the money there forget drawdown from.
They have money, so them are waste and I owe the money then. And then the people suffer because of it.
Yes, so them are to a partner and the people
Chan cannot say anything because she came online and was blaming the government and saying that the government was responsible for giving the people this and that and collect the garbage. As she's supposed to advocate for the people, she had a councillor. As she's supposed to clean the people, drain.
Before,
come out and blame MP.
But Philippine, before Miss Chin get the work, you understand it, does say? Before Miss Chin get the work. You mute, Chabi. Before Miss Chin get the work, Miss Chin was moving garbage, providing water, helping people, and she said she's a businesswoman, so she now wait for government.
Apology not giving right here, so we not do nothing wrong.
We now look at Miss Chin.
Good night, everybody. Philippine, give me a minute. Good night to the councillor on the platform. Listen, but I know what kind of politics we not play, you know. And we not go clash. We not apologize. No apology will be made to Miss Sam because she made it seem as if she don't get 1 red cent from the government or from the corporation. She was
out there. She don't get no money, no time at all.
None at all. She was out there barefoot, a video herself a clean dirty gutter with dirty gutter water. Right? So we will not apologize because she made it seem as if
and I'm saying the only funding that we didn't get, is the care package. So
okay. And some of those
they do.
Yes.
Well, hold on again. Because I'm back to the equalization fund.
Hold on, guys.
You said the
Hold on, we'll do it orderly. Go on through classic. You start already. Go on.
Yeah, so Councillor, you said that it comes directly from the minister. But based on my understanding, my mayor said the equalization fund would be activated once a disaster strikes. And in this case, it is. Oh, that's it. Oh.
SGR fund.
Okay, my bad. I know I spoke about 2 funds. So yes, my bad, my apology right there. But that's the only fund she not get. But she make it sound as if she not get nothing at all.
We only even get the 500,000. And I can tell you we are going to get it. It's just a matter of time.
And she spoke of.
The minister asked us for some information. The senator after Kingston already, so we are just awaiting the funds.
She even acted as if the monies and the help that came from ADPEM was not a reality.
And she was trying to blame the MP. And I said she not get no money from the MP and then something there. MP
No, but
don't fund
hello. I am a councillor from 2016, and I've never ever get funding from Mr. Dwayne Valls. Never.
And you're not supposed. Are you supposed to? Or if him can say in a film,
so I've never get
okay, I am going to give you something like Rhoda did to her the councillors in her
MP never give me any funding before, so I wouldn't bite into that.
No, Miss Donnet, I am saying the Dwayne Valls, when he was MP and you are the JLP councillor, he would have to have it, you know, the good of him of his heart, and he might say, okay, let me give you some for vouchers to give out.
Right.
You not look to him for funding, because you have to look to the municipality for funding as a councillor.
It's not a requirement.
It's not
that never happened, so I don't think they should beat Mr. George Wright, MP George Wright.
So Julian Chang was being mischievous. She knows that her funding don't come from the MP. It come from the mayor.
Parish council.
Yes. The Westmoreland PMP run municipal corporation.
Is Julian Chang a first time councillor?
Yes.
Yes.
So,
Okay.
so Donnet, just to be very clear, all councillors in Westmoreland receive money for water and other things, correct? Per month, correct?
Yes, I have funding for water.
Water, road, and what else?
All right, so road we didn't get any funding for roads.
Okay.
We didn't get any funding for roads.
How do you get funding for roads? Parochial roads?
The minister.
Okay, so that is something that you go through with the local government minister and stuff like that.
Yes, that comes to minister.
Okay.
And
what does your monthly allocation look like for like what do you get for your people in your division on a monthly basis from the parish council?
Roughly, I would just put it at 500,000. Sometimes it might go a little bit higher,
okay,
but always at 500,000.
So in other words, then Miss Chang is getting money for water for her people, them.
So the water money is like a one-off money. Sometimes you hear we get some funding for water. It's not like every month. Yeah, so what we do, we just keep that funding until when we have a drought situation, then we spend that.
Okay. So people of Westmoreland, Julian Chang get a minimum of $500,000 every month.
No. 300, I think it's 350, somewhere there. Not $500,000. For water? Not for water.
No, I'm saying to at least every month from the parish council, not including water extra, but at least she always have $500,000 at her disposal where she get monthly from the parish council, and she also may get an additional money from that for water, etc. Correct? So no.
Correct.
Right. So no ear people from Westmoreland?
Yeah. You're running in that constituency and the road bad. We need road. Ranik, you just banned last night. Your mother just bring you from Jubilee. Hey, come here. Your mother just bring you from Jubilee because if you ban a Westmoreland from 1962, the people of Westmoreland been voting for PNP. You never know see one road. That little chimpanzee there. There's something I seen. Go look at Kenya Ranik.
Rani.
You never know, see one road when in the 90s. Ask your mother. Yes, Michael man, why never go on the road?
And boom road.
PJ, the 18 years plus Prime Minister, why Westmoreland people don't have road? And the lady doesn't have a constituency, sir. Are you dumb?
Eh?
You have a division.
We're not going to ask.
And sometimes they mix up because they put it all over
the PNP, if you road all these years.
Boom rush, we not over here spread no propaganda. People at Westmoreland on a go on to Julian
Go on,
Chang.
go ask Miss Chin what she do with the $500,000 per month that she get from the municipality. Go and ask Miss Chin.
And
Nothing you guys not doing for the
government
people.
not nothing you guys doing for the people. Go hard, go look at work. Big great tone back, boy.
Philippian, remember the council is there. Tone it down a bit.
Miss Fatima.
All right. So Julian Chang, the next time when she come on the platform, them she need to tell her what she do with the 500,000 what she get monthly from parish council, and some months she get 500,000 plus more. So she needs to come and tell me.
Arlan, please type in the chat and tell me what you want the government to do for you, please. Type in the chat. The government want to do something for you tonight. Type in the chat and tell me what you want, okay? Type in the chat and let me see if the government can do something for you tonight, Papa. Tonight, maybe a lucky night.
Give you opportunities.
Type in the chat and make us what you want, no Philippian, maybe both. Listen, no?
No.
Type in the chat.
Oh,
I don't want you to from about Miss Chin, you know, petal, because you know, so Miss Chin don't want to do a work.
Oh, for farmer, can look a foreign him.
You can read.
You know that heart is, you can go hard and you can get business grant, money if you start your own business. Did you know that? You can get $100,000 if you got heart. Go do one business course.
Munchie, we not hear you.
I just make something go on for you. Leave school from 2016 and from me there, and me looking at farm work card and all now. All right, tell me which constituency you're in Ireland. Type and tell me. Of agriculture science in CXC. All right, no problem. Type and tell me where the Ireland, please. Roll back high prices and raise wages. Roll back high prices. What high prices? Clarendon. We are in Clarendon. Classic Siwangaya for you. We are in Clarendon, Ireland. Who are the MP? The person who say roll back high prices and raise wages.
Oh.
I don't understand. Explain that to me because.
What the minister say when you want farm work, yeah.
Oh Jesus, Philippian left the guy alone, man. I want to vote for this man.
You have to go to heart and or you have to register with RADA.
Philippian left the vote on a Philippian. Jesus God in heaven. Come back in Ireland, come tell me where you're there. Oh my God, if a Philippian alone will not get not one voter for the party. Philippian. Oh my God. Come back in Ireland, come tell me where they are.
From more district.
More district. Nobody tell me where I'm more district. Then where that's classic. Classic.
MP is Charles Jr.
All right. So one guy for you. Charles Jr. person Ireland.
But me have the information with Charles
the other day when Charles Jr. was doing his job fair, was he there?
But living at 8 Smith Drive, Old Paisley. What part is that classic?
What him say, what kind of pass?
He's living at 8 Smith Drive, Old Paisley.
Old Paisley. Old Paisley is Mike Henry.
And if you want to go on the farm work
Jesus,
program,
Philippian left Orlando alone. Thank you.
But where is his vote?
Classic, I deal with him, Philippian. His classic voter this. That's slow we voted them, the Philippian man. Sure. Sorry about
that.
The agriculture something.
Yeah, man. So you go sign up. I know.
What he needs? No. Him not to follow me neither. Him need to go to the MP's office. He's there every Friday.
No.
Go down to the MP office, Ireland, go sign up. You qualify. And young people, they want to feel farmer to go on and go sign up, Papa. All right? Why don't you go sign up, man? You don't have to be no party member. Just go down and go sign up. You qualify for it, darling. When 6 person who say they want the government to drop rates, when gone?
What Sydney Blake say? What $500 per month?
No money can't help Sydney. Nobody pays them a long time. I'm hungry when they come ready no mind petal. Come on, I'm not distract you. Sydney, you go on 3 sheet of zinc, you know, man. Sydney, you go on 3 sheet of zinc, making distract you.
You know, saying smart enough. It smart enough to send requests. I want to Sydney who I host for this alive. Yeah.
Mrs.
Sydney
O-
realize that
Mrs.
me and you
Omar
no get
Davis
along.
come out every day. The best MP in St. James. Who there, Mrs. Omar Davis?
A mistake, man. I must
I'm mistaken
type
that David. All right, David, big up your nice clean self. You're not tired to sign up. Every year me sign all 3 times. Well then, Arlan, if until then call you, you go and do something else that you vex with the government for, because you can't go up on the farm work. All right, let me tell you something, Arlan. A Canada you want to go? Send me a friend request. Me gonna help you to go Canada. Canada you really, and a farm work you want to go foreign. Arlan,
That's already a foreign you want to go.
all right, now what you said, if you want to go foreign, you can get a visa and go. Follow me on TikTok, Alan. Search me and follow me because you look like you want to go foreign, and I will help you to go to foreign if you get a visa to go there. Now what you say, you don't have to mix with the government, Papa. Follow me on TikTok and make me get information. The Canada you want to go America. Which one? I'm working as a security guard. All right, you want a visa. All right. Follow me on TikTok.
He most likely to go
He's also benefiting from the increase.
Philippines. Nothing wrong with that. Everybody wants to go. Don't worry, not cuss you.
Munchie,
Me not cussing.
hold on.
Leave me and me vote, no, guys.
Hold on, Munchie.
Leave
No, me
me and
not
me vote
cuss him.
because vote
No,
me
me not
alone.
cuss him. Munchie,
He's
hold
a
on,
US.
man.
He's a
Me
US.
not cuss him.
All
I
right.
understand him. Munchie, hold on, man.
All right.
Hold on, Munchie. Me want to remind him that the government just work on his behalf concerning security guards and the bag of contracting under the pan and some retro
You
money
know,
when
man.
they
You
own
know.
up.
I was.
Whenever that
You
pay
know,
on the right,
yes, sir.
overtime and them
It's
something.
good.
The government just work for you and change all of them atrocities that you are facing. No overtime.
All right, but he still.
Right?
He want travel. He want travel. Travel.
You
He
want
want
I'm
travel.
not
Everybody
saying that he
travel.
shouldn't travel. I'm not saying that he shouldn't travel. But look at that if the government can do that for your sector. Wait your turn, you get for travel.
Lord Jesus. David Hines, we tell that the PNP boy, him a big thief. Oh, a big thief, David.
All right, hold up, guys, just a second. All right, so clearly this young man is frustrated about his efforts, because it's a year after year himself. Our responsibility now as the learned individual is to give him guidance.
Yeah, man.
Show him where to go, and if we can assist him in getting him the information that he needs or directly, that is what we're supposed to do.
He says, I foreign you want to go, winner.
And he want to go foreign and he has been trying from 2016.
Yeah, I mean, so we can help
But you
him.
know, you have to have an age limit. You have to be at 22 in order for you to, they even consider you. Or it's 23. Yeah, but he has an age limit. Right?
Yeah, man, him left school 2016, so ain't old enough.
Let me ask, have you ever gotten one of those farmer cards? I know they don't longer have those farmer cards. You don't have that. Right? So you have to go to the ministry itself and apply for it. And then they will carry you into that selection program. Have you gone through any of those, sir? Because he just said he wants. Have you done any of the measures that we're going to get you?
He don't know saying can't go through the ministry. He's saying he go sign up, don't get the MP every so long and not get it. So
you can go directly to the ministry. You can go to the ministry itself.
He might go sign up. We not take time with him because we don't want it. Because he says he's a nice guy now. We want young people every state of the country.
But I just want to make you probably talk loud. Sorry.
Yeah, man, you have to talk too loud. See with him. No, Alan, I go text me. I'm telling you what he say. I go work for him because I want to vote for that. So yes, guys, Miss Darnett, sorry for the inconvenience, but we tell you something. We not no pity for Miss Chin. No way. Me personally not no mercy for Miss Chin over here. So because me see where she go on with the election when she look the vote. She never did a hack like say she never go take care of people them. I mean, say the dirty labor right and no, me dirty labor right too, so me can't call people dirty labor right. It's a compliment. Me say dirty labor right, they don't Westmoreland love her and come out and then numbers go vote for her with here. And now since she win, she tell them say she not get no money, she not get no money. Me say good, serve on the right. And one day eating and drinking no did want, so they go sit down. So hopefully then catch them sense and come back over to them party.
Munchie, I true that in a whole heap of people switch go over there, go gear them.
Yes, them in a year.
All right.
Them in back
She kind.
Munchie, the thing is, the last election, and I can tell you, the first election I've been in, and it feels like a by-election. It was a by-election, not just a regular parish council election. That's what happened in Westmoreland. It was a court. It was all about the money. And a lot of persons went out and voted for the money.
Yes.
You understand? It's not like people that just willingly go. If people want money and then just go vote for $5,000. The 5,000 are done already.
Long time. Same night.
So the last election was because I've never seen an election like that before, and only in Portland. You see things like that. But last election I went in, it was a by-election. Munchie can tell you, I didn't have any money to buy anybody because for the 7 years I've been on the road, I take care of the people as the best I can. When the election come, I didn't have any money saved up anywhere to buy anybody. So I think what happened is the person that I take care of for the whole 7 years, they came out and voted for me. Some of them take the money.
I wasn't going to join the conversation, but me just did have to chime in a little bit still, as I just wanted to listen. But I will second what Donit say. Good evening, everybody. I'll second what Donit say.
Before you go on, just let her be clear that she's not buying anybody. These are how she works.
What did you say?
We didn't just lose like that in Westmoreland.
We didn't buy anybody.
Okay. I just wanted to
buying votes or buying anybody.
Okay, I just
good works and good governance to encourage persons. That's what we're buying vote. That's good.
It is not the first I am hearing what Miss Foster is saying. I hope I'm calling you Miss. You're Miss or Mrs.
Yes.
It's not the first time I'm hearing that argument that it is a by BUI election. I was talking to a counselor the other day, and that was one of the things he was saying, that he knows persons who are actual laborites, and whole family are laborites, and when it was voting day, they were standing and looking and say, "Oh, me now vote," and these people were beneficiaries from things that were done, right? Or they benefited from things that were issued, either care package or whatever they needed, them and them family. So it is basically not the first I am hearing it, and it is just sad to know that that's where we are. The election reached now to a place where you have to buy people even though you're working, and that's how it's supposed to be. And the next part that I wanted to jump.
You see people people like Arlan, you have to go back to him. These are the people.
Hold on there.
Try again.
I just got a notification from TikTok that the live has been discontinued in some region. So some people get put off based on their location.
Oh, Canada.
I don't know what just go down.
Canada.
So you not hear me?
Yeah, me I hear you. And
Canada, me there.
You're hearing me. It said the live has been discontinued in some regions. I mean, noticed that Sheikah gone and couple other people. You sure you're not too close?
But me there too. I'm not gone.
But it's in some regions. I don't know why that happened a while ago.
Jamaica, something. I don't know.
But you got to report the live for some reason or another.
Them report the live, and that's why.
Report the live, yeah.
All bad mind come read them because me so they gonna tell live and we are ready. So we are tell people to vote for farmer ticket. I never tell the guy that. I tell the guy go and go sign up if he wants. That's what I said.
Hold on now. And if you come in pan what Miss Danny tell. Finish Munchie then me say so.
No, I'm saying people like Arlan of my name, those are the type of people me like ministering to when me I look voting on Chavi. Because they're not far out. Some of them just misguided, some of them just frustrated, some of them just want a little helping hand and a little assistant because some of them don't really know what to do, because in a Jamaica it's very hard to do business with these ministry. It's very hard to do things in a Jamaica. They're frustrated sometimes. And yeah, some people work with the party as well. When you got the party office and then they don't know you, them ignore you. So when me a campaign, me not like people in a green and orange, me like people who don't wear no color. And when me done with them, then decide say them I go vote when me done with them. So me not really dash out all of them all the time. You know, when them pass them place and I disturb me dash them up. But me try with them at first. Me hear say ugly pick out it, naughty Sydney Blake. Gone over so go and tell lie pan we say we over here tell people for vote for farmer ticket. But me not look actually you don't bring him up in our box. I mean in a Chavi. And you bring him up in our box, we don't tell a lie pan you. But you will not bring him up. But anyway, Alan, inbox me them, let me see what I go on for you. Because I see you want to pay your farmer, my love. Inbox me, darling. But the rest of people, they want to come in back on the live, no matter where they gone, Travis.
The live drop.
I am here.
Reporting the live drop. The numbers are down. It was 122 just now. It gone down to 83.
Yeah, they're reporting the live. But I'm also I am very weary because I went back home the other day, and when I was going through my community, it was like a total ghost town in terms of how the place looked. It just looked like a real country, and it never used to have that look. And I'm just wondering, are these councillors storing up the money for next year? Because remember, you know, money wins election, not just
remove
all of the schools and from SIP system that they so complain about. Remove the gas tax that they often complain about. Reduce the importation fees that are associated with some goods and services that they are always complaining about. They need to give us a comprehensive plan as a way forward. I cannot apply for a job, Munchie or Chavi, without a resume. What is the resume of the PMP looking like? Looking like a high schooler. Yeah?
They don't want to say anything because they want to say when they don't do nothing, they say we never promise anything. Nobody can hold them to account. That is why they're doing what they're doing.
How can you hire a manager to run your company and your manager have a resume? Your manager will come to the interview to tell you that you're suitable for the job. How that makes sense?
That makes no sense.
TNP now come with nothing but to buy the election because they don't have no plans. Me I tell you, Mr. Chavi, if we don't come together and say, if we don't come in a Central or in a Manchester and plan and say, MunchieB, we are going to do some campaigning and some bus, whatever and whatever. I am ready. If we know any 14 parishes, by the way, no plan and make me know because my plan is to campaign for election. But I'm not serious, and me just know say we have a lot of undecided who are ready for vote, but then we just want to hear from us and want to hear the plan, and we need to go out and talk to them. You know, when me hear people say they not vote, the first question I ask them is why. The country government, me not go on, me say what you mean? What you mean not go on? Me not work, me not this, and me start to question them. A majority of the time is lack of information. Some of them say they want to go back to school where they not have no money. I think that those persons can go on a heart and between the MP put in the fund to the government so they can get a little stipend and they can go on to the closest art. Because if you don't notice, especially where me live in a Central, whole heap of art there. And it's very close to in a little circle there. One taxi. It can't happen. When young people walk up and road say nothing nah go on.
That is where G2K and
God, we talk about them Philippines if you dash way.
Hold on.
And them should have reached out to the guy there in a comment, you know.
Of course.
Should have go in a heavy
I know me live near to him, Philippine. When me done with him, man, if he not get the farmer ticket, you know, see all the effort when me put in. I'm sure election day, me could have go pick him up and go get a vote from him. Because it's not like he not work. He might work. But he have the certificate and he feels that he's supposed to get a farmer ticket or whatever. It's just that. I mean, understand because him go school, him do the subject and he say, he think he qualify and he not get no ticket. But he not there yet, I look for no handout.
All right.
He's working.
All right, hold on, you know. I was dealing with a whole bunch of things just now. And I'm glad I don't keep it. And look and see.
Some of the people in drop off Travi and some of them text me and say,
you see notification.
It's saying that in country.
Right, he said that he said the live discontinued in some regions because Shika can't see live no more.
Canadian
in Canada. Even though Shika is in Canada, I'm like, what's going on? But anyhow, what we did want to comment on is what Auntie Danet said about the vote buying. Auntie, you're spot on. We know that for a fact. Like you know that may have all of my people in the right in the downtown Savlamar division. That's Miss Chang's division. let me tell you something. See, especially on Cook Street, she buy Cook Street. She buy Cook Street. We know that for a fact. And you know what happened to? You see, labor rights are to be blamed too. And here's why I blame labor rights. And I say this with chest, with boldness, because me hear my brother with the same bullshit argument. Talking about them not understand why PNP always a run money for them people. Pay them for vote, but JLP don't run money or pay for them people for vote. Me deal with him on that. But my point is, them buy vote so hard to the point where she offer my brother money. I just told him saying that nothing to do with them current rangers. He not even want their money for free. I know they can't get it. So he not even want their money for free. But me I tell you, people me know people whole heap of friend, yo, she dash out money. Not only do she dash out money, but our candidate, he put up a week try. I'm gonna be honest about that. He put up a week effort. Yeah? You see, when him just come on, auntie, and that go on with him thing, and captivate all the young youth them and had them with him. I believe this time, the time when he serve, how he handle that, and how he treat a lot of the people them, as well as we know he get sabotage. We know how the municipal set up and the sabotage right there, so. But his connection with people was weakened, and I believe that's one of the reasons why he was ousted. That's one of the reasons why. Even though she spent a bag of money, if him did have all I youth them with him back again, she still couldn't win even get the bag of money spent.
You know what, Chavi? Because some of them councillor here and me don't know Mr. Danit from now, but me I tell you, based on experience.
Hey,
when them win, it's when them win.
Nickname is the hardest working councillor.
Yes, when them win, Chavi, them then don't set up an organ. Me tell you every day, you know, hear my life. You see, I am the councillor for Nat Patrick Division in a central Manchester where me live, Chavi. You see the day when me win, the next morning, I'm happy. I say me a principal I work me there, you know. You see, for all of me PD, me PD captain, I have an assistant, and the assistant have an assistant. You see, every labor right in the division, you better know them. This way, if Travis Granny dead, or if Travis rocking foot, or if you see three little pit where it's 18 in the lane there, you must know say 318 in the lane there. If you tell me whatever and go down, go numerate them. Where they in a PNP yard or JLP yard. It's when time it come to any little thing, me supposed to know where I go on down this so. Nobody me not supposed to know where I go on in my constituency because me supposed to have people on the ground and tell me where I go on, Travis. You can't until election day, you come round, I can look back for people, you don't see them for 4 years. That's why some of them get voted out. Is that only because of the money and because the people know after election don't they not see them back? That's the reason why the people don't take mischief money.
Yeah.
Munchie.
Robbie, I want to go on at this one.
You know what I mean?
Me freeze up now?
No,
Munchie.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Use Irish Spring soap and Dove too. You couldn't carry back something from foreign for me.
All of them something there Jamaica up a price smart below. Me don't know how people are bring on bag from foreign, but I bring on soap and lotion and pack up in a suitcase and pay money. All of them just go up a price back, go push a Charlie, my love. Irish Spring, Dove, everything, every type of chocolate you want, everything Jamaica foreign. And I need very bring on my love.
All right. Me hear you talk about something in the last half and me tell me I agree with you. In my constituency, in my parish, may I tell you, some of the councillor them, some of the MP them, you only see them in 2 days before election.
Yeah.
After them win, they don't count nobody again.
Listen. You see, Auntie Dana to you right here, so. You see, Judge, right? You can't vote for them. They're always present, always.
Listen, right in my constituency, in my district.
Hold on the pitbull. And that's why I have so much respect for you, Auntie Dana. That's when you come on a while ago. I get nervous. I swear. Because I have a whole heap of respect for you because I've watched you carry out the work. You know, I've watched you, live out your elected position. You use it, you work it. right? Mr. Right at the same thing, Mr. Right at the same thing. You understand me? So if you have the next election coming, more to come together and put in the work. I don't know if Mr. Right I go run back, I don't want to change it, but put in it because only truly deserving of these people's vote because only do the work.
And target Miss Danet, focus for your labor right them and the independent. If you got the PNP them, then not change.
I think a person, before you enter politics, you have to love people.
Yes.
And if you enter politics and don't love people, it's not going to work. The first thing you have to love people.
Listen, Auntie, I sat and had a conversation with, not Mr. Huta, but the other two gentlemen. And I listened to one of them. I'm going to tell you, I'll be honest with you. You see, that conversation was surrounding me running as a councillor. Mr. Wright, come and talk to me as well as other people, whole heap of other people. I can't call them because you know them. From Joe Bums to Peter to Neville, all of them people wanted me to go. I'm say, this two things. One of the main reason why I'm gonna go. This is what I mean. I tell you the main reason why I'm gonna go. They want me to run out of my natural logistics, out of my natural location. They want me to go upper a Luther name.
Utah.
No man, upper Mr. Utah man. The other one for Landilo in. From the other side, man. Where the man the name again?
Sub-North.
Right. Where the one from the other side run up the sun name again?
Devon Thomas. Dan.
They must send me say go against Dan. Rare. I say no. Me know where if me take on this thing where my victory there, couldn't lose. But the other person never wanted to move because he was talking about all type of other financials and this and that and whatever. I'm saying, okay, do your thing.
If me run for council up a Mavis division, me can't lose neither.
But if I run against Miss Chang,
me not ask
how much money Miss Chang spend. No care
how much live in every district of
Miss Chang could not beat me. No care how much money she
nobody
spend.
can beat me up the sun neither Chavi because me go to school me got primary school and high school. Me born and grown in one division. My father live in a one division. My father married one in the next division. Whole 5 division. Everybody know me Chavi. Yeah. I'm very popular because I don't know say me talkative.
Hey,
so
listen, my family on the two sides, my family on the two sides.
You have to know people love people and people have to believe in our way. You can't, me don't know, and you see the reason why PNP come buy out with voters them, Miss Danet, because we voters were hungry, some of them, not all of them. But some of them, they'll constantly not pay them no mind. That is the truth. Some of them, the council did not pay them no mind from day one and people. Let me tell you something, man.
Listen, this Munchie. Listen this Munchie. This is down at that place there. We believe the people them need for them. So wise up and be realistic about it.
Oh no, don't get to Westman and this place.
You know, easy for Miss Danet and all of them are down there because that place has been under their grip lock for years. So you see, every department and every facility everywhere, them full it from top to bottom. Don't tell them security at the door belongs to them.
Yeah, PNP country.
Portia make that same statement we just make. From platform of Independence Park. She say a PNP country and the key to Westmoreland and her draw up a Kingston. That's what she talk from platform of Independence Park.
Hold up.
My God.
Hold up. If that is PNP country, 18 and a half consecutive years in government.
Nothing to show.
Hold on.
Look at deeper problems down there.
I would challenge any Jamaicans to go and look at the state of Westmoreland. Because I always say, Chavi, if I love something, why get rid of it? Exactly. If me love poor people, why am I not supposed to create more what I love?
They love them, when them poor and uneducated and confused and void of critical thinking, can't make a decision after their own dependent. That's what they want because they keep getting their vote year after year after year after year. Yeah, that's what they want. You mentioned a black without cement situation. Me know that person personally who stood up beside him. Me know them people. Me know them very well, Miss Danet. Me know them. And I can tell you nothing has been done from that time till this. From the time of that,
they don't want nothing.
Nothing has been done.
They don't want nothing.
All right, Munchie. Munchie.
Yeah. Come here, freeze.
From Beryl, until this very day, until this very hour, I'm speaking to you. There's not one councillor or MP coming to this area that I'm living.
A PNP area living in JLP.
Mike Henry area.
Oh, that the topic there, serious topic, my love.
And Tanya Lee Williams is the councillor.
Let me know say Tanya Lee pa TikTok a post one road, so she just 6-1 road.
What's that?
Oh, look on her TikTok, me never debate no my skip past it. You don't see Travi?
Huh?
You didn't see it?
I didn't hear that just now.
So you want something specifically from the MP or the councillor?
No. I don't. No man. No.
He's just saying Philippian. So the council no come do no assessment and come look. Remember say a storm come through, you're supposed to drive through everything of the vision.
Jamaica in the comment about Jaja, that's not right. Go and look at PMP boy. Go over reading.
The councillor them supposed to go in every community pit bull. And then you see where your team come in do a pit bull. Because if Travia the councillor for not Patrick Division, Travia now if he call me and tell me if he go up at John's Lane or down at Brown Lane or down at Mango Tree Lane, in a pit bull. Me get up my man and put on my sneakers and put on my water bottle with my book in my hand and go and do my work. Cause me know some my boss want me food. Nobody have to call me and tell me. Me get up and go and do my assessment and look how much house stop blow off, how much zinc missing, how much this, that, how much that. And me write down in my book nice and properly. And then the next man, me go down my office, go and give Travis my book and say, Councillor, me know you're busy, or you the runner, so what's up, lane? So me go down a Montego Bay Lane for you, and this is what up down there and whatever. Me tell people and say you soon come. You know, Travis now if you call me and tell me put bull. Me know what me supposed to do. Nobody now if call me and tell me if you do that, my love.
Munchie, even elderly living here, and not even as much. I'm talking about person when I have it, and not as much as one of the food packages Tanya don't carry in this community.
Alright, we could get info. We get info on the live because I think info know Tanya, and we get Tanya on the line.
Tanya, you tell people there right and know Tanya to can call her if you no want.
Then call Tanya no.
Ask classic and Travi they know Tanya. Good Tanya very popular. Everybody know her. You know have her number Philippian?
Tanya, yes.
She's very popular.
Hold on, them Munchie here, Auntie Dan.
Mute.
Travi.
Yes, mom.
And every community, when they get funding, even when they get care package, if they get 100 care package, it can't reach every community, you know. No matter where you do, you can't reach everybody.
And Miss Master, it's
the other day back to school, I went out there.
One Philippines, she make her point now. She been here with us for a while and she barely say anything. But let she shed some light and what it's like for a
I went out there in back to school and I did my very best. I give out almost 1,000 bags, book, pencil, everything. And I still have persons that call me and complain and quarrel and beg, say them never get. So I'm saying to you, everybody and every community can get. When there's something, you have to, what I do in my division, I do a round robin. So I write down which community I go to, like this month, next month. That's how me. You can't reach everybody with the funding that you have, 500,000. How far you can go with 500,000 per month?
Yes, Mr. Donnet.
Like a round robin in your division. So what I'm saying, maybe Council Lee couldn't reach that committee this time around.
But Miss Donnet, I understand.
Hold on, allow her to complete what she's saying.
So I'm saying to you, maybe the amount of care packages that she have, because when I go to one community and by the time I reach there and somebody come for a bag, then it run like wildfire through the whole community. Everybody, you can't turn back people. You can't turn them back, you know, because if you turn back one person, everybody get upset. You have to just give it to them. So sometimes it can't reach everybody, no matter how good you be. If you get 300, by the time you go on the road, that done. It cannot reach. So sometimes it's not maybe the council want to reach to Pitbull community, but it does not reach.
Miss Donnie.
Miss Foster, I want to say also that the care packages are for the most vulnerable, the persons who are impacted the most.
Well, you don't want to come. Yes, I understand all that. But
no, me I tell him.
When you're going to a committee, right? And somebody say, Miss Dawn, beg you one.
Yeah, I understand that too.
When they need it. For them beg it, they need it. So you have to
some of them don't need it, Miss Dawn, and does disgusting.
And
right. Hold on, guys. Hold on, Munchie and Philippines, you have to understand the position that she ends up in. So I think she gives the first person.
Some of them don't need it.
I understand.
And that people need to be fair
because
with.
one time, Chavi, hear me now, all run and I bring a care packet, the back to school, go give me. And my husband said, shut up my mouth, to eggs up, you don't need a back to school, go sit down. Because some of we very, exactly, some of we very eggs up. Like, me I tell you, because that's me jumpy sometime, my husband said, shut up and excuse. You don't need it, you two eggs up. I mean, just go back, go sit down, and well, me can't come two eggs up for you. Come in and need it, me just know.
But Pitbull, you are, if you know
the man say, go well, me can't travel, me too enough.
If you know the elderly person who need it, you can go approach the MP and say, okay, you know this shut-in or whatever who needs such and such. Although the MP is supposed to know all the councillor, whoever must know them shut-ins.
Miss Danet, Miss Danet, you know what our problem? You know what our problem too? We need to have a team. We need to have a real team, a better team. But that, I mean, like people who works with you and who are on the ground who know.
In my division, I do have a team. I have an excellent team. If I didn't have a team, I could never won the last election. I have an excellent team. I love them. And as they call me, answer. Want it with me? I try to answer my phone. Because I can't.
Yes, it's the number one thing, Miss Dan. Answer your phone.
When somebody call me, I'm always, if I miss your call, I call back. I tell
that is the number one thing for MP. And
whenever you call me,
answer your phone.
If you call me and you don't get me, you leave me a message.
Some of them don't answer their phone. Then let me tell you something. See, in America, ask Travis and the American, them Olivia, so. The councillor, the people, them have them constituency office. And you see, if you want to make a report, you want to complain about something, you call. I'm calling for councilman or calling for congressman, Travis. You say, can I take a message? You write it down and whatever. Thursday you go see your councilman. You see that Jamaica, Travis?
You see call your councillor in a constituency office, no manners.
Yeah, exactly. That not get to know Philip. Them put some dunce, but in the office
that's
we
can't
read, right?
That's why I talk about team.
Oh,
listen,
Jesus.
you have to choose wisely. That's why we have to choose wisely, Miss Danet. I mean, want Mr. Right for tell him to. Don't choose because I know and connection and familiarity. Pick people who will do the job effectively. That's what
I think an MP and a councillor, Travis, should have a
people will do the job effectively because the constituency officers say this is a complaint we hear far too often.
I know for them, I know for office alone. Rhoda have one too. She have a resting bitch face, Travis. When you see fear face, that make no sense you approach her. She have a resting bitch face, Philippine and face ever so what.
Pitbull are try say something, hold on.
Yes. What I'm saying, I know everybody cannot get care packages. What I am trying to tell you, or what I'm trying to say, as a councillor, it's an hurricane. Walk through your community, walk through the division. Let people see you. There are people in this division.
Do you have our number? Do you have our number?
No, I don't.
You need to get it and call her. You have info number?
No, I don't.
Send info a message now on TikTok and get in contact with the councillor.
When you're going to the MP offices, some of these MP Philippine, them up the person when they have, if me I'm tell you, I don't know about you, but people who know me personally know me. Everywhere me go work, people love me and call me. Me left out the last job when me have a 2 year and me left the job and every day the boss call me because me not come back. Because one thing me know if you do, I fake it till me make it. If Travi my MP, it's when you come in Philippian, I would not like you. I good afternoon. Yeah, me fear kina Philippian, but you know. When you got me such one Philippian, every day she come in bada the MP. But it's when you come, I lie you not know that girl. Me have a pleasant demeanor with pan your girl. And when you left the message, me I give it to the MP. MP, you know, say Philippian come on. Me nah because you come every day because me know I work, me I work a vote, me I look. Some of them, oh Jesus. Some of them I give the MP bad name, me nah ask Christ. Some of them is just no have no business in a politics, me I tell you. And these are them because something we are frustrated.
We need
the voters
committed politicians like Miss Danet Foster. You have to love people. You want to serve people. When your phone ring, you know, say because them are bother you. Even if you feel like them are
even them are bother you, Philippian.
Duty, you have to answer the phone.
Right. Get one of the big book them like where you use at school for write register and date it. And write every time when Philippian call me and tell me something, beg me something, I write it down.
Communication is important. Acknowledging the people's requests and communicate the situation with them.
Thank you, Travi. Some of them, when you call them Philippian children, I want to give you, like for example, me call me counselor Travi and said, may I beg you 2 bags of cement? All right, me make you know. Then I write that down in Travi so they not member. So you pass back next year, vote. I mean, I vote for you because you don't give me cement from 2 months ago. Wait for you to write that down, Travi. When you got your book, you write, remember, rated. Me the promise, munchie some cement, because gear it quick and fast there. If then they write that shit down, they would have member. But they don't, because they didn't write it down. They not do that work, man. They don't know if you play politics, man. If me a MP, me can't lose a credit of move me out of the seat, Travi. Korean, then I feel like fire if move me foot out of me can't lose, Travi. Crazy. If me not have no money, me keep all one dance. Me keep all one dance, Travi. And sell liquor, when we get the money, me use it, do something else. Me can't lose. I me pay one farmer for plant some sweet pepper for me. You know sweet pepper there? Take the profit and do my business. Me can't lose. Me can't turn my hand to make fashion, Travi. Me can't lose. I don't know if you do politics, man. Some of them are idiot, man. I make PNP, I trick them and we see election I come up. Every MP is supposed to know what to do if you have their money for run them damn election. And I wait for government and I wait for private sector for go no money. Because some of the private sector now go no dollar to make sure you have no money. Oh, because we no winning candidate. Here Yolanda, not to mention MP Danny Lawrence, him sweet pepper.
But me see Danny Lawrence having big Vietnam them big treats. If you need it to go to the treat.
Yolanda said Danny Lawrence sweet pepper.
If you not need it, you stop asking people them for things. Someone who don't need it. Leave the people them who really need it. The people them who are struggle.
Yolanda said Danny promised me school fee grant and push me around like card pack. And go so and get the PNP it, Yolanda. Go so and get the PNP it. Go so and get the PNP the grant. Because I don't understand, you know. You don't understand, so we have an election coming up in a couple of months. I mean, they're telling us a PNP a plan for buy the election. We don't know why you're or not. The People's National Party have no plans for the people of this country. They don't have no plans for education. They don't have any plans for health. They don't have no plans for security of this country. They don't have no plan for building the infrastructure of this country. Mark Golding so must stop pay down the debt and give the money to people for buy food. Bunting so we must stop pay the security minister and give fisherman the job. Damian Crawford saying prefer to take a haircut than a pay cut and not pay the teacher them. The People's National Party have no plans for the people in this country. So they're planning to buy the next election. You remember last time I said prefer to take a haircut than a pay cut to pay the teacher them? You remember?
Yeah.
Okay. I remember Bunting say fire all the police and the soldier them a hire fisherman.
Jesus.
I remember when Mr. Man named Marky British say we not to pay down the debt. We must give the people the money to buy chicken back because the people are hungry. Remember? So the PNP now no plan. Only thing the PNP are going to do is pay money for a vote. They cannot come up with a good plan because PNP has never run this country and a profit yet. 100 buses more, but 100 buses more. They manufacture and make fi come back for January. What do you ever see that?
30 come in January. Next year, July, we get in January. 100. We're getting 100 next year, July again.
Exactly.
New school year.
When do I ever see that happen again? Me, I was born in 1985 and I have never seen that in my life. When me go to school in the 90s, the piece of old stay-bad bus them with PJ by when rainfall will wet up. No garbage truck, no fire truck, nothing. So all of the people talk about me nah vote for Andrew unless because me not nah go on. What you mean not nah go on? What do want to go on? What do want? I don't understand what they want, Philippian. You ask them. What they want to go on? When they say not nah go on, what they mean?
Handout.
But if they want handout is there for them as well. You know your job is so much scholarship I give you handout it name. Yes. Scholarships are there for the handout people. Free bus.
Them that suffer.
Yeah, the PNP people them. Ungrateful PNP people them who live in a town. Them are the main when I talk about not one of them a benefit from part. And them, yes, general, them a get a lot of money because part has increased. And part children them not pay for CXC. What do you ever say that yet? Remember the PNP DS Travi, if you not you picnic can't do sexy because them parents can't pay for it, you remember?
I know that for a fact. I know that for a fact.
I mean, live to see when CXC time come, parents now fear scratch their head or a 2 or 3 back in the days, parents have fear 2 or 3 pad now. No parents now for worry about CXC because if a child upon part, the government appears for everything. If a child out upon part, the government appears for 5. And to be fair, not supposed to do more than 5 subjects in a school because 5 subjects you need for go to college. So with the 13, 14, 15, 20 subjects like una idiot.
If you want to be doctor, so engineer, dentist, and so you have to do
I don't need 2 science subjects, maths, English, and something else.
Yes,
the most you need that said you don't need 13 and 20 Philippian. You don't need 13 and 12 and 15.
No, you don't need that.
Exactly. And the government is paying for 8 CXC subjects for you. So you don't have to worry yourself.
Yolanda, you have the other pampat. She said, me have 4 pitney and them never get a voucher and my child finish upper 6.
Yeah, because you're hard-working mother, Yolanda. You're hard-working mother, you have sense. You know, for the rest of that, you must depend on people.
A-level, you know.
When the PNP people, Philippian, especially my PNP friend, because I have a whole heap of PNP friend, because we're media central Manchester, not a PNP country, so I have a whole heap of PNP friend, I have a whole heap of co-worker, my family member. And when they say the government not doing nothing for poor people, I ask them, what exactly do you want the government to do for you? Tell me. Me ask them, tell me specifically. Oh, Andrew, a thief. Me say, when thief? When thief? Oh, he started. Me say, do you know what statutory decorations means? Can me realize one of those run up and down and take the talking points from PNP?
Is not it affect them. I don't understand.
Me hear me ask them. Me say, do you know what statutory decoration mean? Do you think that is a bank statement? Do you think that is money in the bank? What that mean? Andrew rich and me say then because Andrew has been working from him is 17 years old and the Bible say by the sweat of your brow you shall eat bread. That's why rich. And poor people. Me say what? Me say that poor people narrative wanna get from PNP. From me ban PNP I talk about poor people.
Yeah,
there should be no more poor people in Jamaica. From the band PNP I talk about poor people, you know.
You Trevi if you try to.
So that's
what you can do for yourself and talk so.
Poor people.
How you ban Trevi?
Well, I know
you advocate for poor people.
So annoying. All them talk about is poor people.
From a band PNP I talk about poor people. No more poor people should have left in this country. Every day, poor people, poor people, poor people. Who are these poor people that they are referring to? Because cartel say in tier 1 ticket done. And in tier 1 ticket are for $125 and cartel say sold out. Who bought those tickets?
No, Munchie, the cheapest one. Munchie, hold on, the cheapest one is $125. Within tier 1, there are $300 tickets and $400 tickets.
Well, cartel say tier 1 done. So
That's
who buy them?
I like $125 and I like $300 and I like $400.
Yes, so who bought those?
Ah, Jesus.
Okay, nice, Yolanda. That's
Donald
good.
Trump money friend them by them. Because I'm the people by
who
them.
buy them the ticket, the travel? Who are these poor people that I refer to? Because ghetto people are not poor people. Because then don't pay light, then don't pay water. Them have a family member who work a floor with T-flow cable give them. And then don't pay for food because they're pampered. So what do you mean? What do you mean by who are these poor people that the PNP is referring to, Philippine? Could you tell me them?
Munchie the easy.
No.
But I do. Maybe then don't pay light bill.
Them full up the front, the view, this section of the sitting now, the concert of Vibes Cartel.
Yeah,
which
then don't pay a light bill, Philippine.
No, sir.
Then don't pay a water bill. Then don't pay internet bill because they have their family member. Because me never know say could a thief from flow until me got my friend house down a vineyard, down a Franklin town. They make me know so once you have a family member work, then thief and box give you. When they got people always go change box, then thief it and sell it. So you don't pay internet, you don't pay floor bill, you don't pay electricity, you don't pay water bill, you don't buy food because they pampered.
What you say? All them thief cable.
When my like for example now, for example now, my internet box, me call Flo and say tell Flo say my box now work. Flo send one man to come fix my box now. I don't know much do it now, then change it, then fix it, then change it with a new one. Then take it and sign my paper say the box now work. And instead of bring it back to the company, then put on the paper say then bring it back, then thief it and give to their sister where they there so.
Oh God.
Yeah, and then them thief the blue wire and then run it around, Yeah.
No,
They don't pay your internet bill, they don't pay your floor bill. Get up the people of Arnett Garden do not pay not one bill. Those are the most privileged people in a Kingston. Arnett Garden people them. Don't have market British. But then don't have running water. Then don't have flush toilet. Cause this man in school whopping. Government now do much back to school. And government he want to come fix up Arnett Garden theme. Where on there do? Where on Arnett Garden now do?
The Quicksilver here, me hear have spread some propaganda about part. Them say only JLP supporters I get
my mother, who is a strong PNP person working at polling station Philippine, have every single one of our pitney and our grandpitney in Pampa, they then drop off and now. You see, back in the days when part just come in under the People's National Party Philippine?
No, when them rename it because
when they rename it from the JLP program, food stamp and take it. The PNP send the advocate in every single district go sign up PNP people. JLP people couldn't get nobody pampered. If you are JLP, you have to go down at the office, go sign up. If you are PNP send the people in the community, come sign up for them people. That's how dangerous PNP is. So I don't know Quicksilver moving in Quicksilver. The name fit you. The name fit you Quicksilver. Excuse yourself. Yeah. Me now ask more part Philippine. My mother had 8 children and everybody the pampat. And when time she done, she put everybody, the grandpit them pampat too. So my mother collect part back in the days are like 15,000. Me tell her back when it just start. And then 15,000 enough money.
I want it money back in the days. Must be 2,000.
And it sweet my mother Philippine. She put all my stepfather upon the part and not tell him. And when he find out years after, he go take off himself. You stay there. Yeah. My stepfather was so upset when he go down and go try register himself. My mother put him on for years. And I take the money. My stepfather was so upset when he go down the Philippines and put on himself. And the people are making us end up on it for about 10 years now.
Wow.
And my mother big PNP.
No,
So me no
sir.
want Quicksilver tell me nothing about part program because me live and grow in a PNP yard. My entire family in a East Rural St. Andrew a PNP. So don't tell me about part of PNP feeding truck that. You see all the people in the Angela Brownburg constituency, they don't believe in a work. A them full of part. And the one them out of Philip Powell, go to the post up, go to the NCB bank, where the pan Windward Road when time second Thursday in the month, you see something. The line long until it back traffic. Those are PNP people.
Because Powell, Yolanda, they never had put it on it.
Oh no, then I mean to tell you say PNP something Yolanda, you can't go on it. We don't go up a Garden Town. Cause then time used to collect at the post office in Travi. We don't go at the post office at Garden Town and look on PNP people. We don't go down at Mavis Bank post office and look on PNP people. Part is for PNP people. PNP make sure send, is when the policy come out, PNP make sure send the advocate in every PNP community and sign up PNP people. Me not ask questions because some of my mother go pan it.
Yeah.
That's all my mother got on it. My mother never got nowhere. My mother never know part of this until we start the fitness start drop off fight. You know, Lord God, then drop off this and then drop off. Cause when me move my daughter from town to Mandeville, my daughter drop off. So she called me. Cause they tell me if I know some my daughter get part in a Philippine. She called me.
Your mother
Could the daughter go? Yeah. Me say we want with that fast. Cause she drop off her part. Me say, but me never put her on there for me put her on. Me say, God, what is? Yeah, me say, yeah, man, you're
because it's a family thing, so she as the grandmother can put her on it.
Of course, and my daughter the pan part when she was 3 years old, Philippine.
That's serious, you know?
And my daughter, I have never touched a part checking on me, and never. And my daughter the pan part when she was 3 years old. And when my daughter drop off, me know say my daughter the pan part, my mother call me that shame me dog say, which school she go because then got the school and look and then can't find her. Me says what happened? She drop off her part.
Them, yes.
Yeah. And my nephew drop off too because me take my nephew to a Mandeville and drop off too. Me see a brute are you. Okay. And so me know. So you don't tell me about the part program of PNP cash cow that. Yes, Travi.
No, me they are laughing because we are talking about we know it's a real thing.
Of course,
and I alone go through this and we are talking about it. You think you want alone go through we are talking about right now, your father?
My mother and my father strong
some people don't want that.
Yeah. My mother and my father strong PNP Travi. They live and breed Michael Manley. They don't want to get nothing from them party if you put on an orange shirt and vote. That's why when me hear Labour writers say, oh, they not vote because they don't get a little farm work, or they don't get a little care package, or they don't. Me wonder if you don't lick on no head. Because when PNP not power, PNP look out for PNP people. So it make no sense to not follow back at them. Left leave out then the people they alone and stick to no party. Pitbull and Crow. Pitbull, I was consider Pitbull. Yes, when me come down, me I go take out drive from me come walk the constituency down there. Pitbull. Because I don't want people to get shaky and talk, but they not vote because they don't get the little care package in a Pitbull.
Breezy Castle. Breezy Castle, Clarendon.
Pitbull, you drive?
No, not driving now.
But me don't want to drive up my gas, Pitbull. Me don't want somebody who drive me around. Me a labor right now, me don't supposed to drive up my gas. Because I'm going to do some, Philippine, which section you there? Because I'm going to do some serious campaign when me coming out.
Me the Kingston, me can't campaign.
Oh no, leave campaign alone. Kingston have PNP people.
Yeah, me can't do them something.
Oh my God. Anytime when I hear the PNP, you see if me was like all them people on Westmoreland Philippine, you know, so but I name out all data and them boy they don't need still no vote for them. Let the truth, you know.
Munchie, I cannot. I live in this community, and I cannot point you to a PNP that live in this community. And every one of them, if you, the second house you go, there's a Tanya. Them agree if you vote for Labour, right, and they will not change. But Tanya can't come at the gate.
So why you not call fair then? Go, Mr. Go call info. Instead of try bring down the woman. I'm tired of this now. Go and go call info.
Me not bring her down. Me not bring her down.
Call info and get to informate him, get to the woman and go have a conversation with her. I'm tired of this now.
See one of the comrade there, Ada not forget nothing from our party. We put out our orange at them. Ada not forget nothing from our party. Vote for our party. Ada not forget nothing.
You're going to be the decent and nice Pitbull. Make your connections, right? We're not saying that what they're saying that goes down, whatever. But make your connections and fix it because I know you love your party, so do it for the party's sake. You understand me? Yeah, man. And fix it up.
No, not just the party, but the country and the bigger picture and the vision. Where you see this man, I take the country. Call me head split right now. Me have to go come off of this, you know, because I can't deal with it, you know.
How what the MP for down there, so? How what the MP for down upon Tanya there?
Mike Henry.
Oh, Mike Henry. Oh. You know, me don't know Clarendon do, guys. Me don't know Clarendon at all.
Listen, I see somebody in the comment section. I say, ally me, I tell. Listen, don't tell me fuck. Don't do it.
All right, Pitbull. All right. We're going to fix this.
Pitbull. Pitbull, me and say, man, me understand what you're saying.
Yeah,
me understand what you're saying. But you see, me I tell you, say, and you can't deal with everything publicly, and that's why people are push back now and you get upset because you're passionate about what you say. So you're dealing with the right and proper way.
Information media have access to Tanya, so we're going to tell what the problem is.
I've never in my lifetime voted PNP, and I will never vote PNP. So when Yolanda Simita come down and talk about a lie, me I tell, girl, don't try me.
Pitbull, listen, we're not going to argue. No talk back and argue with nobody. Just relax. Yes, mommy.
All right, so I'm saying, all right. The council went through for election the other day and won it. The next election is for the MP. So who is going to run that constituency?
I am not for Central.
That's supposed to be on the ground and that the council not supposed to ease off, but the MP caretaker is supposed to touch the road.
Right, so we have it's an independent person that is there now because your right is independent. So the candidate that we use should be on the ground. Is that what you're saying?
Yes, the candidate is supposed to be on the ground.
Candidate.
Yeah, but
I agree with that. I agree with that.
Is not running back.
You know, we all of the people that we have.
Who is going back?
Who's going to run?
You see, we need to make a selection. They need to make a selection, and I've been saying because that's not the only place where a selection needs to be made, and I feel like they might draw their foot far too long now.
Dr. Chang, my next
we are
one.
drawing foot far too long. We are drawing foot far too long. You know, certain things we can't talk in public, and we can't talk on TikTok. We have to talk otherwise. But I'm saying, they understand the question and the reason we ask the question because really something needs to be done.
Not because I am a sitting councillor, I'm going to back a councillor, but I'm saying the councillors need help too. Need help.
Yeah.
The MP have to be on the ground too. Not just the councillor. So wherever the councillor don't go, the MP is supposed to go.
Yeah.
Somebody must go.
People are going to fix that. Tanya Lee have people on TikTok. Yeah, they say information. I don't know her. I don't know nothing about her. But if you want to know about Central Manchester, you can ask me. I know that is my place. And if anything we talk about my MP, you know, make me alone because my MP, because election time I put on my green shirt same way. But you know, me I go cuss my MP because me feel like she too kind and loving to PNP people. I mean, I love that. So every day me a cuss. Because me say the comrade them I say how much me I no good, me wicked because me a cuss me MP because she help PNP. Of course me a cuss me MP because she give PNP people. Make PNP people go on to who them vote for. Whether you them vote for Mario Mitchell. Whenever Black Road now, Mario, whatever her name. Whenever Black Road now, but they want road. Make Mario get a gal and go on the road. Make the mayor 400 million missing from the Manchester municipality, and I know we can't find out who thief that $400 million under Mayor Donovan Mitchell watch, and at that one of vote back in one a black road for them, and then something piss me off with me MP.
Munchie, Travi, Miss Barnett and Philippian, I'm a little bit upset, so I'm gonna jump off here.
Yeah, man, have a good night. When you come there, you can come back later because all they are foreigners. So I say foreign people, they're not gonna work today. So I say they up and like, and I'm gonna say up and like.
A Labor Day.
And so I hear say a Labor Day in America and Canada. But it's so sad we to the Canadian them, me, Travi. What are we them black, the Canadian, them Philippine?
I don't understand. I don't understand. I'm a personally invited Dre over, the beginning of the conversation and engaging the young Jamaica, the youth, because we have connection to them and we say we are going to talk to them and just move with the idea that we have. So when Mr. she get kicked off, I'm like, I'm hella upset. Me make sure I text her, make sure I'm sending her the screenshot too, where it says that it's inappropriate for some regions. You know, censorship terrible in Canada, so that's one of the things maybe, because they don't allow you to just go out and speak unproven facts about politicians and go up on these campaigns of defaming people. They don't allow it over there. There's legislation against that.
Yeah.
And Jamaica need that too, because some of the lies of these people, they on live a purport every day. It's mad. Careless and reckless going after people.
Definitely.
Oh, you know, the declaration. I don't know what that means.
I asked the comrade them what those statutory declaration mean, and I know they can't tell me because it is a talking point when they get from 89 Hollows, Crabhouse Road, and they don't know what that mean. And me so they need to go and read a book and stop with the foolishness and stop make Mark Golding and Dayton can be turning into an idiot because Dayton born and grow down a bamboo and he can't go back down a bamboo. In your string cut down a bamboo and he can't go back down there. Why? Ask Dayton Campbell why he can't go back down a bamboo. Ask him.
You have too much kids meal.
Yeah. That's why. Too much kids meal in live in a kids section too much. In a come out of the kids department. That's why. In shop on the kids section over Sheen. Hey! Why? So yeah. That is the reason why I not understand. Be a lie the comrade them say, boy, me take better.
Hey, Munchie gone. Your phone gone. Oh, she get a call or something. Too much kids meal, man. We're on a real anti-done it. I've said it and numerous times before that they need to just get this thing settled. But according to the leadership of the party, we're not in campaign mood just yet, and that's one of the thing. Linton, Utah. Auntie Danny, you know, Auntie Danny, you know who that? I miss a Utah that.
Me I text Petal, Travi, and Petal says she don't even see the live. Oh gosh. Totally now, and look how Petal love your TikTok. But I don't love TikTok like Petal.
Check her.
Say Philippine, you know, nobody not love TikTok like Petal. When you see Petal can't come on, you must know the trouble there.
Alright, hold on, Munchie. Check. I have Linton Utah here.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Good evening, everyone.
Where are you from, Mr. Utah?
Oh, from St. Mary in Bannygate.
Constituency of St. Mary?
Yeah, Munchie. But I live in Red Hill, St. Andrew.
Okay, I remember, you know. PNP man love Kosu man, so.
I don't realize, man. You never find him because you never come back, you know? Yeah.
I search all night.
Yeah, man. And me and the next youth up on the live till daylight, you know, till after 5. Yeah, me and him alone, next youth alone leave on it.
Rose says she know you, Mr. Utah. When Rose tell me about it, they text in a chat.
Who know me?
Rose.
You can't get hurt.
Alright, from where?
Before Marky British go up on the platform, go tell the people and say what PNP are going to do different for the children of the country. And go up on the platform, go and tell be a lie about the government not doing much. Why is the government must do back to school? Some of them baby father don't even give them $1 for back to school, but the government never take said pan.
Yeah, me here can the news too. Yeah, my chat be rubbish.
But where is the baby father, Mr. Utah?
Yeah, no, I wonder, like, so Andrew should just get up on mine.
Okay, see information media, you guys wanna talk. See me now. Inbox him, Philippian, inbox him.
Like Andrew for mind them, you know?
Yeah, like a Andrew Wallace, they want to mind them. I said,
like Andrew breed, them and for mind them.
Mark Golding want the government must do for back to school. If the government provide all of the things where they need to open school, give the school them money where they forget so they don't collect no school fee, then keep how much back to school treat, how much medical treat, give out how much bag and pan and everything. What else the government want? What they want the government to do? Give the picnic lunch, gonna pick the lunch money? It's part there. Put on the picnic pass if you don't want lunch money.
Then better go make Andrew and Nigel teach him for dress proper.
Yeah, they better go and go find them baby father where breed them and give them 10, 20, 30 pitney.
Yeah.
And come off Andrew Wallace back on near Matthew and Adam.
Yeah,
and them two
and nasty.
But Mark Golding don't even have on a clean shirt last night. In the platform I talk about Andrew Wallace. That shirt the one you have on a 3 week no man wear it green and smell like Uncle green grass. He don't even have on a clean shirt last night. The clean shirt dirty pan him.
And you know he sweat up in here with him big white self.
Yeah. He don't even have on a clean shirt last night. He come and talk about how Andrew Wallace and must send Pitney to school.
That's true, man. You know
that. Baby father, man. And come on, Andrew Wallace. Go and find him and the breed, you know. Anyway, Philippian. See, info them love, because I don't care story, I don't know about, because I don't hear, bro.
Yes, so info just because we know Miss Tanya, right? In a Clarendon, the council, and Pitbull, they hear and I complain, and I say this and that, say no see her, and she not do nothing and whatever, and I say, first I hear that about the lady.
Philippian never said that, though. You think you could have heard the story better than that?
No, he said lady, nah, he never said the lady.
He said a specific district where he live. I don't remember the district.
Yes.
District in Travis.
Honestly, I don't remember now. My brother named Pitbull.
He said from the storm, Tanya Lee has not come to the district, not one care package, and not give my greetings to them. I don't remember the district name, but that's what he said. He never said Tanya Lee nowhere.
He probably still a listen, you know. He probably still a listen. Hold on, me check if he's still on. Because, you know, one thing, even though you're upset, he make sure he declare he can't change.
Yeah, but me not bring down nobody right here, so.
No, Anna is not about bringing down. He is talking about, you know, why I must say is valuable information, because if he's saying it, maybe other people are thinking that maybe other people
no, that's why I'm telling himself contact
hear me out, and other people may not be as strong. And guess what? The relationship might be fixable, you know, but we never made the attempt to fix it. You understand me? So now we hear the information, then the attempt can be made to fix the relationship between her and her constituent.
Mr. Caution a beat Philippian and goody to the since them styling up this evening.
You not style up Philippian, you not style up goody. Sir, you
Mr. Caution, if you ever hear them
beat up them mouth.
If you ever hear them a behave since even
beat up them mouth, brother. Nobody now listen to them.
Nobody use the word style. Caution can't style up nobody.
If you ever hear the nastiness, them a go on.
Caution can't style nobody. Caution would pitch in a Jerry Bryan inbox. So then if Caution can't style up nobody.
Jerry Bryan soon breed him.
Exactly. So
no sir. No.
Info Wagwan.
I hope him take him family planning.
Info Wagwan.
True, Philip.
My brother, what's going on? What's popping?
Info.
Info like him busy, you know, him there about there.
Oh God, him say I can't see like no sir, you can't afford chicken. Remember say Anna say you can't afford it, you know. Lisa Anna say you cannot afford it.
Info God. KFC.
Lisa Anna say you cannot afford it.
But that's where Lisa Anna say you can't buy chicken. I understand.
So where you
get money from?
Info.
Where you get money from?
When she said that? When Lisa Anna said that?
So one video on our Twitter and Instagram. You can go there and look for it. He said Jamaicans can't afford. Hold on, Munchie, me tell you what she said. She said the Jamaicans can't afford chicken.
You can mute Maestro, please.
A scraps is we Jamaican people are eat. The scraps is.
When did she say that?
She wrote an article over the weekend.
When?
She did a video.
Philippian.
Oh, yeah, she did a video.
Good night, everybody. Good night, everybody. Good night. Good night, everybody. Good night. Good night. Good night.
Yeah, man. Blessings.
I hear what Munchie said and I hear what Philippian said. Is that the first time I hear Pitbull come out and still like this? And I called the counselor the first time Pitbull did it. And the counselor said she's her division a part of live.
Breaking up.
Sorry, myself.
Breaking up. You're breaking up. Mute everybody. Breaking up.
All right,
Mute everybody. Mute, please.
Pitbull came on my live some months ago and said the same thing about the counselor visibility, and actually on the ground. I call the counselor and I tell the counselor, the community, that Pitbull has something box heaven, box common, some we live. And when the counselor has done the survey, Pitbull is not in her division.
You see that?
You see that? You see that?
The council, Pitbull stay in their house and not come out, he not going to beat city council. And if Pitbull is a person that act like the returning resident, let me enlighten the people darkness. Maypen and Mandeville accounted for the most returning resident in Jamaica. People don't know that. A lot of people don't know that. The amount of returning resident in Maypen and Mandeville, they lead Jamaica where that is concerned. And if Pitbull is a returning resident and act like the rest are returning, they're not going to see the councillor. The only time you see returning resident, Travis, when I pick up the letter out of the mailbox. I have to come and knock that mailbox and call them out. So I am not going to say Pitbull is all wrong, but I have gone over this with Pitbull before. I have called the councillor, but to fact check and to double check and to get it right, that we always do. We want the truth and nothing but the truth. I will call the councillor again and I will place Pitbull concern to her. Based on the first time she said no, Pitbull is not in her division, I will do it again for clarity, Chavi.
Okay, because I've heard it speak highly of councillor and her visibility.
A three times today she called me because she's concerned about the division that the Margie McLeod lost.
Yes.
And yes. I have worked with her on several community projects. And I may have her number. I'm a privilege to call her, but I'm not going to call her on the live now. I'm going to ask her if she want to come and join the live. And you know, things been said about care packages. Maybe she want to publicly denounce it. I'm just saying it. But Travi, I'll try to get in contact with her and see if she want to join the live.
Mute, Travi, you're mute.
Yeah man, no problem. I'm hoping Pitbull, me always mute my mic because I got two kids around me, like a 6-year-old and a 8-month-old. They're making noise every now and then, playing all of that. So that's why I mute every time I realize them I get noisy. Yeah, so I'm hoping Pitbull is actually on the live. And still listening because we want to have, like me said, the relationship may be fixable and we should strive to fix things first. We don't need to, so when people are getting mad, try to stay calm.
Always, me and you that
just like how Mr. Munchie say, hey, I want to vote this left.
I vote me alone. Me not because I have no labor unless them I go to the hand.
That is it.
But people are nice labor, right? But look here, you know the reason why Lisa and I said people can't buy chicken because nobody now buy Popeye's chicken. Popeye tastes like chicken. Where man
from
one.
Her husband, Lisa.
Yes, Travi.
Husband.
And because people now buy Popeye, don't it taste bad chicken where her husband wants.
What the next one name? The pizza franchise there.
Nobody now buy no Popeyes from her husband. Nobody now buy no chicken sandwich from Tiffin Burger King because chicken sandwich tastes nasty over there.
Little Caesar.
And nobody now buy nothing from Little Caesar. That's why she said that. Yeah. That's the reason why she talk about say, about people can't buy chicken. She crazy. Because you see, anytime you see fried, you see anytime me go to the KFC, don't Mandeville and show them KFC and video the KFC line on Mandeville on Friday. Ask anybody who live on Mandeville about the KFC line they travel. It black traffic, it all coming at the paper.
Yeah, me know almost every KFC.
Me know what she know about people not can't buy chicken.
All the KFC have encounter with Jamaica is like that because in a mobile madness. In a mobile madness. You're going to serve it, go right around the building and come back out, exit the parking lot and turn down the street right there. So block the church driveway.
Exactly, but Jamaica people can't buy chicken. All Jamaica people eat is chicken. Everybody in the rural area have a chicken pen. What she talking about? I'm hungry belly PNP people I get to share talk about. What she talking about, Javi?
Listen, she thinks she can afford. But listen, my point is this though. When we listen to her argument, and we know say people are gonna see it naturally say no make no sense. Renz, where did they come in that look for you earlier, man?
Renz scoping at this.
So, anyhow, when we listen to her argument and me where she stand find out say our people own this and that. So that's why you talk like this. Because you were in parliament for much years, more than 10 years. And all of these things never come out till when you make your exit. You're ready for those blue. You try with labor right in the work, you switch to PMP and boom, you're there. Then what's your next style she do now? Alright, in the work for me either side, me boom up the whole thing. No mum, why you I see?
Exactly. When it comes to chicken, she better be quiet because I'm telling you, everybody up at East Rural, St. Andrew, me born and grew up have a chicken pen. Me tell you, see a ton, me can learn about hard life, cut tomato in a 2, and cut big sweet pepper in a 3, and 1 piece of scallion in a pot. A ton, me country people that live so in a Travis.
You know, when me on TikTok and I scroll on certain people live, me go up on their live.
Country people that live so in a
opportunity to see my name join their live. So, me think if you afford me the same sentiment, you're not welcome here.
Right.
We're now calling him, but you know yourself. And I feel place this. When you deal with amphibians over here, please just go on back. Just exit and go up on the bus and leave. Yes, and I feel. We don't entertain your type over the side here. So just go on, please.
When I realize she look kick back for her husband. All she did attack is her husband she look out for.
Exactly.
You realize that?
Sorry, yes.
Ren's girl, she don't know say country people not eating food. You see country people only eat mackerel like the morning time. You see them in my cook a pot? They cook mackerel.
Tell them to me. And Mobile. Mobile. You know so much fast food place here, Mobile.
Me born and grow a country, me can't tell you that. Country people don't eat tin food unless they cook it at bush or unless they wake up in a man and feel you and flash out.
Hold on, Munchie. You see big old thinking Barracuda consider text seating like a female. Me run him already.
I just because this, I listen, I can't listen. The you're kind of over here, so she fly. No can think up the chat.
Which one? The big one over there, son?
The one when if you go get him pop smeared on.
Oh yeah?
What about him? Me block him. I mean I look no friend. Me no go on the place, so what not do ya?
Exactly.
Leave, man. Me tell us I don't call a name, no problem. Just one. Here's not the place for you.
People can't buy chicken. What you talk about? Everybody at East Rural St. Andrew have a chicken pen, Travi. They don't even know if you sell them chicken to everybody a raise chicken. Bright.
What's her straight that
Can't even sell chicken or chicken.
This morning I have a live and I spoke about emotion. Some of us labor on TikTok. We full of too much emotion. And I think Pitbull, I'm going to try you on this. I'm going to smear you on this. And I'm going to do it publicly. Pitbull, we have too much emotion where this is concerned. If you did reach out to me because you know, you and I spoke about this before, and you came on the live and you did it again, you have too much emotion where this is concerned. And you could have reached out to me and said it to me, not because many lady are friend, but some of us have been doing this. Come on, people, we can't make emotion override where we do things, but we have a government to run and an election to win. We cannot allow our emotions to override us. And then after we do things, we say, I true me not see her, man, and you don't do damage already.
That's why I told him.
We cannot allow our emotion to ride us, people. Me did after the problem, then I said, no, I'm sure. Me know if we deal with it. We cannot make our emotion get it better because we can create problem. I'm a big pit bull. He just contact me a short while ago. We'll call him shortly. But please, before come out and say next.
Yeah, break up.
We not even know what that talk about. So me change it.
Go back to that.
No, we can't go back to the chicken story, Renz girl. Because we never know. Say the one Lisa Anna say Jamaican people can't buy chicken. She bright.
What she mean people can't buy chicken? You know what chicken farm? People are come out of chicken farming now.
Right.
My delivery guy, we deliver food to me. He already not chicken up come out. I said too much people in it.
Exactly.
What she mean?
Can't buy chicken. She bright.
She mean KFC can't buy the cheap chicken them again.
She mean our Popeye's chicken now sell. That she mean.
No, I wish one a fear. Burger King.
Popeyes.
Yeah, fear for sure. Restaurants.
Yeah,
they need to give them a link, you know.
KFC line long.
Yeah, Popeyes line long with them shitty cause hey, you see your Popeyes are there, maybe poor customer. It was you know see our girl have to go over counter go fight them.
I lie.
Poor customer service like people them tired of them. Poor attitude dengue. Chavi didn't see it. Me don't know what she and the girl are face to that. My girl just go over the counter go grab her.
No see that one day. But Lisa once again in a wrong franchise.
But she not going.
Once again, Lisa in a wrong franchise.
Yeah,
wrong
she need to go on, man.
PNP, wrong figure invest in a Popeyes. You're wrong. A KFC run Jamaica. You don't know that? A big bright spark as yourself. You don't know that?
Yeah.
Stop making these wrong choices, mama. Stop.
Nobody don't want no Popeyes to eat, Lisa. Anna. Moving the dirty nasty chicken. KFC we want. Nobody don't want Popeyes. That's why we now buy your chicken. Chicken salty and full of flour. Go one side. And don't come break up yourself with Jamaican people. Because Jamaican people not eat. We don't know about
come on and run away. Even bird shack, we don't see bird shack. Even bird shack come on and make take all over the place.
Exactly.
People
can't buy chicken and small chicken KFC all over.
What's that? Wanna know the owner of KFC at who?
No, but the KFC.
The owner of the KFC is a labor right.
Okay.
That's why she come with her big mouth to talk about people can't buy chicken.
Okay, that's why she bad mind.
Yeah, because fear Popeyes now sell.
Lisa, one.
She and Mr. Lake can take up them franchise and throw them in a lake.
Hey, leadership Travis, a leadership race with Andrew and Hardley. I chuck Mr. Myers mark up a KFC, chuck him park up a National Arena, you know? Me tell me Clyde, I chuck him and park up. The man say labor to no fight, see food there, see KFC there, name run something I do. No, I park up a arena parking at the big one trailer. I don't know jokes up. Anybody who did it can tell you. Mr. Myers say park up and say whose side was it? I eat it properly. Because we are a good party.
That's why I say Burger King always a sponsor PNP business. Remember Damien Crawford said then shell down Burger King and never vote for Lisa.
I was there. Rose McCallagher always did there when time of some pinnacle moments. You know, easier.
Remember Damien Crawford said we shell down Burger King and we never vote for Lisa.
Hey, Auntie Rose is not easy one bit. You know, Auntie Rose ever did at some special times.
Why?
Auntie Rose is not easy, you know. Info Auntie Rose said she was there.
Lord Jesus.
Shiny call me and say, when Shiny call me, Shiny, why you doing so much? Me Shiny, me coming from morning. At 3 bucks, me having a Shiny, go your mood.
So Pitbull send back.
Pitbull is back.
Lord God, you want him added,
We don't want a confrontation. When you need for those give inbox in for a number and let them deal with it. We don't want a confrontation person because guess what? We don't see certain people so clarity, you know. So we know
it's a possibility.
Them a record.
No,
Right,
no, man.
And them,
I
report.
already talked to him. He already inboxed me and I'll talk to him, I'm sure. He already did.
They report the Canada people them and block them cause me I talk to Petal and she say she can't even see the live.
Me
So
send
they
it to
come
our
with them
inbox,
wicked.
you know.
They can't see it. No, like seriously.
They can't see
TikTok
it.
send me the notification and say that my live has been blocked in certain location because inappropriate.
Me look so like you're bullfrog.
Info, hold on. I'm not sure we are talking. If I be blocking of the live. Remember, so them have passed, Canada as well as the United States and the UK have passed legislation wherein you cannot go on social media to chastise and tell lies on political leaders, right? So with that legislation in place, not more than somebody who is in Canada watching, but you know them is an orange ranger, simply report the live and then just block
Oh,
it.
they not black read it live. I read it live like sure.
I don't know, but I'm assuming that's what happened. Yeah, because we weren't doing anything or discussing anything out of there, but because them have
Petal not even that talk when they kick her off.
exactly, Petal was right there.
Yeah.
Jay, when I say something and then black.
Yeah, Jay did the talk and yeah. Petal was just there, but look like say Petal and Jay then close. Cause they not cut me off. I mean they're Canada too. Me no understand.
I don't know. We say black for certain regions.
Yeah.
You have a screenshot that say black for certain regions.
Because your IP is in Jamaica, Munchie.
Oh, Munchie account is a Jamaican account for true.
Yeah, maybe that. I don't know.
That is it. The account is a Jamaican.
But somebody need to report really live. Me never know because look how really like sure.
Yeah.
Everybody now you saw comrade stay do enter labor right platform. They want black we and we leave them alone for go tell for them. Like I don't understand with the comrade them. They go on like social media for them.
That's true. That's true. They ever go on like a them run this whole thing.
Yeah.
And tell them, they believe that, you know.
Are them alone for them on social media?
Munchie, you know, they believe that because it's something I often hear them telling their one another. I hear it, Hugh Richards with it all the time. We are run social media, we are run this, we are leading our poll. And as soon as we turn on local live, we report it, we come and contract crap. If you not lead, we not look behind, we not go drop.
That me I say, leave we alone.
You guys are make up a blue that poll too. No. They make it up. It not real or anything, you know. Them just make up something.
Did it come on nationwide?
Not at all.
How many look everybody bring it up? Waste of time.
Yeah, why them people want to poll every 2
Make them go on to them poll. We are going to do our work because when election is called, we need to get our third term because we can't put in teeth in Marky British and teeth in date and say that no
one more than one. They can't go on now. Not more left for them.
Yeah, we can't put in Marky British, Satan, and Cruella, the cruel man where go the fisherman, the man where say for fear fisher. The worst of all.
I don't want Brownberg as no foreign minister, whatever.
Jesus!
That's an embarrassment. No. Minister of Foreign Affairs needs to be a well-spoken and well-kept person. Yeah, represent
a classy person
internationally. I can
and a person who can speak properly and speak multiple languages. Angela Brownberg must stay down a river and dump. Her clothes and favor like when you hang up clothes pan line and the clothes pin done, so you have to show over one part. She can't go away. You crazy? Angela Brownberg can't represent we.
Night prosperity, what's going on?
Yeah, Cliff used debunked the lie today, you know, with the blue dot poll. Him said blue dot only conduct polls 2 times for the year. One was conducted little before the local election, and he believes they're in the field now, or they are going in the field now to conduct another one. So he said there's no such poll. A lady called on his program today. Him said there's no such poll. Blue dot don't put out no poll.
Because listen, all of them look on nonsense and them are put out to confuse people and to try to tell people to go somewhere they might do something. Nah.
Exactly. But if them put out a poll where they Chavi and it said them a lead. Why them so perturbed? If them are leading the school.
I just said it. If them are lead now, social media, them are lead everywhere. Them are lead TikTok. Why all that one they come over here while that's me have to block him?
Then confused or confused set.
I mean, make sure me press permanent, permanent. Me no want to see you again. Me no need to see you again. Permanent block you gone pan. I don't know a lead. Stop gaze, man. Stop gaze since you lead.
People ask on the price.
Nasty Marky G today. Last night, me no wish nine I team did their setup because if 20 people did enough there. And he might bring down Andrew. It's been a week now, over a week now, and now he can assign a new Minister of Finance. But why Nigel leave is because him knows that something is up with the 8 and there's a hole in the finance, and that is why he left. So nasty Marky G.
Good night, moderator. Good night, everyone.
Hold on the mic. Let Prosperity finish and then you get to say something, please.
Yeah, I'm the platform. I trying to bring down Andrew Wallace when my nice, clean Prime Minister the JTC bus this morning. I lift up all a little girl and I interact with people. Frownsy Marky G couldn't go do that. Him smell like wet up carpet when carpet not dry good.
Come through, Mikey. Come through, Mikey. Blessings. Good night, as you were saying. Come through, my boss. Share your 2 cents.
Good night. I've been trying from even. I like how I be bad.
Yeah, break up Mikey, but we hear that you said that you like beating we are going. Yeah, man, we are beat and we have to teach them or teach them.
Why, Mikey, one thing you not a good internet though, me not ask Christ.
Huh?
Mikey not a good internet at all. No, Mikey, you have to do better than that. You can't come on the platform, you send requests good. And you come on, you can't talk. Mikey, no sir, we don't come again.
If we put the phone on the host.
Yeah, you put the host, but you phone on the host, Mikey.
Already.
All right, Mikey. Thanks for coming on.
Put your phone on the host, Mikey.
Hold on, Munchie. Thank you, Mikey, for coming on and showing your respect. I appreciate the support and being here. You know, man, we just there putting in the work. Now, the meantime, we're going to borrow the box again to see if somebody else want to come in for share 2 cents. You understand me?
While Mikey sort out him thing, Nikkei would have addressed it because we just want people to know. Nigeria not gone nowhere yet. The man now left till the end of October. So the man is still at work. Contrary to the Mark Golding and try to make people believe.
That me said too.
Alright? So contrary to what they might try if you say the man I run because there's a hole in the bucket. I don't know. I don't know what they might try.
So you're going to tell me that IMF would appoint someone
who don't know what they're doing? Who does not know what they're doing? Hold on.
Exactly.
Who does not know what they're doing? We're putting it in simplest
they
terms.
came out with that script a little too late, though, you know.
This powerful multilateral institution would have hired somebody and placed them as high as deputy director. Taken in command. Yeah?
Yes.
Who don't know what they're doing? Make it make sense, people.
Right. And I'm going to
say make it make sense, not Travis, but I will not say
that. Nigel Clark vindicates the Jamaica Labour Party and the government I should say, because they've been talking about corruption, and I am sure the IMF would not want to associate with somebody who's involved in any corruption. So when I talk about it, makes no sense at this point.
Exactly.
That is what you call putting them head.
You notice how long now it takes to come out and say nothing. The script is a little too late. We've already dominated the space.
You know, Mr. Holness said Nigel isn't the only one that foreign business is interested in. You have other people in the cabinet where, you know, it's being sought after abroad too. You know, they're gonna so weird spell. spell check and come again.
That's work. Yeah.
Hey, you see all him, don't
That's
put him on the
work.
platform, you know. Me hear one night on a platform I talk about him and him council go walk and how the labor right them give you
That is
voucher
not
and green
weird.
voucher and green writing and how him not like the labor
And
right
that's how it's
them.
spell.
Where can be spelled
Don't
two
like
different ways, but that which you
That's
put
not
in
weird.
neither
That's where.
That's
That's
work.
where, sir. That's
neither
not weird.
where can be spelled two ways, right? You see there, that a one, and you have the other one. So get it right.
That's
Let me help
weird.
you.
That's
WHERE.
weird.
You must have
And you
tried.
even use the one there out of context because that would have been
Yes.
having on something, putting it onto your body. You know what I mean? Sporting it. If
Right.
you're talking about where as in location, so see,
Exactly that night. Just see labor right, you know.
right, you're getting it.
Exam.
All right, you got
Without the front eye class, without the back eye class, like no for them.
Yeah, when they're the back
Position.
no, them they outside door, them not there back, them
Yes,
there
sir.
door.
They don't know in your class.
Inside the schoolroom. The
But in
classroom
the meantime, we will not be distracted by Mr. Diego. Mr. Diego, if you behave yourself, you know how you go. 1 minute, and see you one next time.
Black is there working, well greased up.
You know me not run joke, I mean I really look friend from now.
Sunday, Dre Brian boyfriend come now. Jesus.
Anyway, one go the other go, you know where go. Anyway, one go the other go. God Almighty.
Black the one caution, cause Dre Brian, me say Dre Brian almost breed him, you know.
All right. Me give him one forget. Me give him one forget. You know four about
Yeah, you're going to behave yourself, you know. You know you're going to behave yourself, girl.
You get one forget. You know four about him. And if he main account that I'm like a fraud account, me see a van. 100 odd people pan it. So me give him one forget. Moving on. We not go work with you are doing.
While Philippian I want dub plate, Philippian me love that dub plate. They make you $1,000 to play back.
Diego, I want them to come ready and send them picnic to school this morning. I will up them, I run up on them about time come and school up this morning and then picnic there then food. Eh, want to send them picnic to school this morning come.
But then khaki not even new. You know no sheen. When khaki
Diego, you
have
send them
sheen.
picnic to school this morning?
And them the pampat, you know. And them
Yes.
the pampat.
No, we broke.
No pay him no mind. Hey, me go mute you because attention you seek, you know. Later on. Next time. We don't want no distraction.
I wonder if him did there and I set up them last night when party there keep. Cause no, me
no, Diego not gonna wait. Remember, say no money not running now. You know, money them have to go pay him to go anywhere. The money not run, so Diego not gonna wait. And he ain't just saying, bro, not gonna wait.
Algerian in Navy about in the platform. But the PMP.
Rose Macaulay, you know my argument. Wrong stop. Wrong stop.
Who the Algerian nephew?
KD Night.
Oh, and he was a walking dead.
Him say last night in the pump, they had the setup, cause I must set up that. I tell the PNP them say when you not go out in the field, sometimes the labor them get weary, so talk to them, tell them alright, stay home, nobody go vote. But no go on no for them weak at labor right and listen to them PNP, they were have to go tell them say nobody go vote.
You see, foolishness, fool strategies them come with.
Yes, can they not no plan?
Vote, eh?
They not no policy.
Every labor right run out, like when river come.
Watch out, no PNP not supposed to discourage them, right? And then PNP not discourage the nothing more can them compare. No PNP not to discourage. You cannot discourage somebody and you come on earth wrongfully. Me talk you all a while. Me not understand me talking for my life all the while. You can't come and discourage people when you come by default.
One time don't prevent that.
Me info last time.
Where's it? Where's the middle, Chavi?
Mute. Every time you do, I don't want if you beat the people and pick me without mercy. You're merciless when you beat them. You You mean shit? Me not repeat, you know. Me not repeat what you say a while ago. I may ask you, no repeat. We don't want to hear the double play. Just make it stay.
Yes, Trevi.
Man was a mistake. Man was a mistake, Chavi, man. Man was a mistake. He's a colossal failure.
Yo, no, sir. Godson, what go on? Come we can't get over it for just say a while ago. What go on, Godson? Don't move. We move.
Munchie, bring her
You dead. The
back.
man is a mistake. He never was a ban. He's a colossal failure.
Munchie, come up, back.
Godson.
When him the admit of parliament say him not believe that the people get it right. We deal with the people and I tell we enough a vote. There's some rum him want.
After 25 years, he stated it that over 25 years. As a matter of fact, he talk on platform said, Mark, it wasn't my choice, me never choose you. So if you not choose him, why you want Jamaica to choose him? No, sir.
Godson.
You never choose him. The talk it openly and publicly. He was not your choice. So why Jamaica must choose him when even you rejected him? Nah. No. That not gonna work. That not gonna work. We don't want to see him and we don't want to see him face him. He shall never. They only say, when you dig hole, don't dig one, dig two. And him and him friend them dig a hole for Peter Phillips, but you shouldn't dig one hole because you're not gonna need a hole to go into. You're gonna need a hole to go into too. Yeah, man. So, don't worry yourself. And them can't pressure the cars, We are working. We have time, don't worry about it. You not due yet. You not due till next year. So for now, we are going to put in the work because the people them have to get take care of. Can we notice them other look at when you run out, time come out, call it. You for pleasure. Yours? Nah. Because we not ready yet, so we're not about to call it. We never said remember the last election, you see a referendum, and I go win, landslide, all type of stuff. So we check it out and try rewrite and redefine the rules to say we win. And even when you do that, you still don't win. Even when you try to redefine and rewrite the rules, still couldn't win. Local government elections start go by mayoral counts, mayoral appointees. Oh, we have this amount of mayor, like that's like work. That's like work. In our things because when I think it should change, and that's like work.
Chavi, them they have to do that, It's a strategy, Them they have to do that because they done and sell this money as a winner already, So the general secretary them have that them come up with the charges and no, we cannot say we lose, so we have to find somewhere. So them come up with this most seat, most mayor, most municipality because they can't sell the money.
We got the amount of vote
population. Yeah, because they can't sell the money to the population as a loser.
Well, I not even cliff you don't have chat about most vote like enough work. In the general election, I most constituency, right? And over local government, I same thing. Hey
guys, let me say something to you. From the other day, I was wondering why the comrades them come on social media and spur a lot of lies and garbage and everything that's negative. But it came to my thoughts 2 nights ago that it seems like, or it is so, that majority of all of the comrades who are on TikTok who are blogging for the PNP, they just call the garbage truck and say, park up and just put this in mouth and just spit it on TikTok. So it look like garbage truck park up in every comrade mouth and then use TikTok as them dumping site. Me convinced. Say most of them garbage truck park up in their mouth and then use TikTok as them dumping site. Me
can't see it no better way, people. We have to just see it that way.
Prosperity mute when you're not mute.
Now pass through for you page right there and pass over the Canadian live. So they're discussing amongst other things. Here the you she. If only both party people represent them could have just be decent and talk. We could have this good discussion, you know. You know, we could have talked the things in the right and proper way. We don't have to disrespect nobody and this. Somebody said to myself, so but all my idiot, that would have never work. Because there's not one time them company live attack nothing. Is a value. Have no? Them not talk nothing of value, them not talk truth, them not appear lies and propaganda. So how we are react to that when we attack truth and facts? And the real thing. So how that
the dinosaur named Blair attack.
That couldn't work.
Dinosaur that man.
No, Richards.
Oh, Richards. Okay. I wanted a dinosaur again.
That couldn't work.
Yo. Then turn on the camera and see them with a frightened for beliefs. Yeah, them people they pan here attack.
That couldn't work. Yeah. Mr. Bakuim too. Can never be a decent discussion with none of them because be a lie and propaganda. Nice. And him can pride himself like him more informative more than people, you see. Jesus Christ.
The only thing PMP are leading is lies and stealing. That's all. He's not leading nothing else. Lie and thief. That's all.
Pass, give
Good night, everybody. Good night, everybody.
The latest poll, you know? The latest poll show them a lead by 11%. We blew that though. Say, kiss me. You are youth. Them, what I'm saying? Them probably want to test the water with some by-election. You're a rotten coal, one tea coal him. But then test the water February gone. So you that done, sir. The local government was a scheduled election and this idiot has said a test water. So then done. So you just say by-election, they might test with them by-election there. We see where them stand. Because even if them lose, them not going to know where them there. But them are want to test the water. You want it on the background. But then test the water over there. The local government said, Jesus Christ, some people are done bad. A scheduled event, you know, he must say test water. And then one day she, yes, and we're leading by 11%, and anyway, don't look good for the Prime Minister. And you depend, you know, the Prime Minister get dragged on by the people and run him, because I'm popular, you know, in popular in the party. What are the people that have run him, but do big corruption and draw him down? Yeah. Then Master Mark him now said at one meeting, the country can't run good without Nigel Clark. But yet to them say Nigel now do nothing good. Can you imagine?
No, but when he stupid. And he want to run a country without Nigel Clark, which you just said he can't run good without Nigel. Like, you think before you talk? Because you now have Nigel.
Right.
So we have,
when you did it,
and you had
a do good.
And the person
right
who is your spokesperson on finance is an embarrassment. He's an embarrassment of a
thank you very much.
Spokesperson. I worse budget debate. The axe, all of the media outlet them who spoke on it after he did his presentation. Worst ever. But Nisha that try give her 2 cents. Come through Nisha, good night again, darling.
I was just saying good night, and I was also saying that the commerce them, you know, are praying at their heart, you know, for Andrew with a third term, you know, because they know so they can get them local food. Seriously. And the only thing they can talk about is lie. They cannot you see, any day them decide say they can contest us with the truth. Me take me hats off for them. Me not go vote for them, but me take me hats off for them. They can't do it. Never. Them too lie, man.
Them not gonna win, man. Them not gonna. Don't worry about them. Chuck Finn, let me see in their live a while ago. Make me know if you're ready to take over, you know. Make me know if you're ready.
And me just wanna clarify the thing about the blue that thing.
somebody call in, right? And people catching on, somebody call in today and Cliff and said, asked, and Cliff said, no, it's a lie. He has seen it and it's a lie. The people them are about to go in the field. It's not a JLP nor plain P. It's a blue that thing by them, and they're doing just to ask certain question about it. And the lady said, you know what? The people them lie, and they want them to call it. People are catching up and then lie. And you know the story about the wolf? That I got today. When them tell the truth, nobody not gonna believe because they too much lie.
Yeah, man. Always be lying. Always be lying.
So correct, Nikki.
Auntie Danet, if you have to go, you can signal, give your final comments or your goodbye, and we will let you go. We don't want hold on upon your whole night and come back again because we held you too long. So let us know if you know.
I was just about to tell you that I have to go. I was on a call just now. I'm calling me, so I'm gonna say goodbye. It was good being on the program, and I think I have to join more often.
Yes.
Pick up yourself, info.
Yes.
I hear you. The garbage truck business. Pick up yourself.
Thanks for coming on, Mom. Thanks for coming on. Enough respect.
All right, okay.
Yeah, man, that was the hardest working councillor in Westmoreland. Councillor Danet Fastaff, the Cornwall Mountain Division. I remember, right, calm and easy, hardest working councillor. Yes, man, big up yourself, Mama. Enough respect. Seriously, I have great respect for her. We know the local area to which she serves in, and I have been around her quite a few times. Respectful. She is very respectful, down to earth with the people, and for that I have great respect for her. I'm actually happy to have her on. Happy. Let me just come up on TikTok and I do this whole thing. Make sure I go look with her page and follow it. Me find out such I just follow her. And glad to see her company program, man. That was good. That was a great moment, one of my highlights on TikTok. That you have her on.
Chavi, after the next thing too, Chavi. Always I get some people on the live them. Get Tufton, get Flight Green, some top minister, so to speak. You ever get Nigel yet? Never get Nigel. What if I get him a phone call?
Here when Dr. Tufton was here the other night?
I was hoping for...
You mentioned Tufton, man.
Still hoping. I was hoping for Nigel.
And they can't get nobody for them live.
Still hoping for Nigel, still hoping for, Dana, Morris Dixon. And I tell that lady that, she need for the over here. But yeah, man.
They came on a live one time, Miss
Them
Dixon.
can't get a top brass.
I guess I wasn't in the space at the time.
No top brass.
Yeah, man, she came on it one time and said something. She didn't stay for long. I don't remember if I did feel live. One of them live they came on. That's what I love one time when they're on it, you can save over on YouTube. So you can send somebody over there to go listen.
Right, for real. But you know something, through the conversation we've touched different topics, and there's one topic that I never get to touch on, but it's very important, as it come to my mind now, more and touch that. When I was watching the videos and the posts from the Prime Minister, waking up early out in bed, reach a transport center, meeting and greeting the people, just absorb and suck in all the love from the kids that is in the area, jump on the bus and drive. Hey, this is exemplary leadership, Listen.
Yeah, but that is true. But it's in its blood, It's always, apart from being a people person, it's also a person that always involved with kids. Mm-hmm. And I said to somebody the other day, yes, we know him as a prime minister, but I know him as my church brother from long time, because him just like 2 years older than me.
That's nice. That's lovely. But I want to make this thing. And
he's always like that.
I want to make this distinction that we have seen different prime ministers throughout our lifetime, and I've never felt closer to the individual than I feel close to this Prime Minister. And I believe the entire nation, the entire general public feels much closer to this Prime Minister and individual than anybody before. This man is really with the people and he is for the people. When I look and see him, look up a little girl in her hand and did the animal go up on the bus. And when they sat on the bus, he sat to the window and the little girl at the end. And the little girl opened her lunch bag, you know, and I show when having a lunch bag, I believe she was drinking a juice and she never finished it. And he finished, he handed it to the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister handed it over to the parent. Listen, we have to take the moment of light.
Yeah, and it's good for them. They have that memory for the rest of them life, and it can change their life too.
Yeah.
You know what they want to become.
Yeah. The leader of the country then can see man taking hand and say yes.
Travi, I don't want to cut the conversation, but put me in a big box.
The most accessible PM ever.
Hold on the Godson, look at see this. Tomorrow will be at PNP Memorial.
Oh, election results.
Let's see. Tomorrow will be a day of mourning, a national day of mourning, my people. Let's see, not forget. Listen, I know me met this up on Facebook, me go find it as a memory. The message is still there. We are not English teachers over here, my love.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, I know of an MP having his 4th year anniversary tomorrow.
No black. Travi over there.
God have mercy.
Travi, mute.
That's not easy. You're not easy, goody.
Listen, I tell you, a long time I be PNP now. I don't know. I Facebook, I go up and I see it in a memory. I say, boy, Facebook not easy.
Trust me.
But me here when I talk about KD night and we go up on platform, then I mean if I start I release everything with I can't bother with them straight today. I can't bother with them. I mean if I start I chat to people in business and with them do Peter Phillips and all this and then I call people immediate. They're one confused set of blad.
I say idiot, you have to face reality.
No longer, no wonder they then call him traitor by their own. They won't call him traitor.
No, imagine.
This is the most accessible Prime Minister.
Jamaica first always is saying, well on Godson. Cliff said that, me not even want to repeat it. Go ahead, Godson, go on.
Yeah, well, as I said the same thing to you know, as I said the same thing, so it is fake. It is fake. I winning that him a campaign sponsor, and him is a big businessman. They have proven our connection. That would be a walk in the park for him to keep a treat. Walk in the park.
Me not have no proof of that, but me know if your facts and get it government money, taxpayer money.
Yeah, man, they get.
Yeah, me know them get money, sponsor, I know, but me never got the extra mile to talk about the sponsor what them get where I do with taxpayer money. Because
well, listen, remember now CDF money. CDF money covers about 4 different areas or 5. It covers medical, school, infrastructure and all that.
So where am I doing with the money? No, but it's back to school. Where it's still back to school. A treat doesn't necessarily mean if you're gonna give people bunks about. It means providing vouchers, providing school bags, providing book lists. What is he doing with
scholarship
section of it?
Yeah, scholarship.
Yeah, that's what Miss Holness did, you know. She give vouchers and stuff for it.
Him not do nothing with him come out to talk about Prime Minister now do. No, if him Mark Golding got transport center, nobody not look upon him. Cause better go say where this a big pig come from. How do you would I say? Nobody
right now have some friend
somebody say $2,000. See somebody say $2,000 mark give him people them thing.
Disgraceful.
Really?
I know some people say bag in a travel.
No come with a lie. We want the truth.
And them treat you make the bag them now sell. Cause you have all 3-4 treat I got people get all 3-4 bag.
Yeah,
and put it back to you know.
So you go
So
sometime
like you
coffee,
said, we don't know
sometime
where him
tea.
do. Yeah, we don't know where him do. We don't hear nothing. We don't see no picture in the media about him on Facebook, no tweet, no nothing.
Ma should take all I pity them in a film constituency and carrying a bookshop or carrying go on a vineyard to like bookshop road there so go fill them book list. Him alone should have do that for all I pity them in a film constituency. Me not say outside in a film.
Right.
If I even found grade 1 to primary.
Adore this man. Look how the kids adore this man right here. If the kids, remember kids they not tell lie and them pure in heart, them pure at heart, pure in spirit, the kids them. As Sizzla said, the babies are innocent. And look how the baby them love this man. I can have good intention, them have a good spirit. The children can sense when there's something bad about him.
He is blessed.
Look, everyone, small ones, the medium ones, the bigger ones, kind of just these little ones, the teens, even the teenagers. Because I'm looking at the video, and there are teenagers who walk.
Did you see the video last
You never
year
see
with
the
this?
video with the little boy who go back for a hug 2 times.
Yeah,
I'm treat up a film constituency. 2 times the little boy go for a hug, you know.
Yes,
Godson, did you see the video with a 18-year-old one last year? They had some function and she was there and she had this talk with the prime minister. And you know, he like was telling that he like what he do, and you know, he was like in awe, and he was said, "What can I do for you? Can I get to your computer?" And she said she have one again. She did not lie. And then he said, the girl said to him that a hug will do. And the prime minister hugged him, and that end up that she got a scholarship. He decided to help her with her finish her years in university.
That's it.
I still have that video.
That's it, man. That's it. Remember when the youth awards. Youth awards. Mark no go. Come nothing for do with the youth. They didn't have no plan for the youth. Them nothing. At the youth awards, and it's a little young performer doing. Come call up people. Come on the stage. Because he's that accessible. He's that down to earth and the youth they must feel good around him. They can invite him. But there's a certain man them afraid that now go happen. We never see that happen before.
And any little thing you call him for do, him ready for as long as him can do it, him ready for.
Yeah.
And them participate tonight. If I take him in a clown and I say, let go the bird or whatever, we know say now do it, I say sing and we know say he can't sing. He's still willing to do it with a smiling face. Me know say ma put up a post and I say Mark, that is wrong information, and then block me, and then you want to count on my leader? No sir. No. No, before that me go on a St. Lucia. I don't know if people my black
Yeah, we are talking about high food prices yet.
high food prices, and go up Antigua page. Me post up this in our group and I say I wish enough Jamaica would have watch the Caribbean people them too. Antigua people them over there bad very hungry. And me have one sister over there too. St. Lucia people are bad for hungry. I said should have been one of the cheapest countries.
I need to go talk to the people and we buy off the whole of the bleachers ticket them already. They are bad so not now go on and food price high. You need to go talk to the people and we go take out Freedom Concert loan. And them people them for go talk to.
If them lucky.
Mute, somebody tell Travis say mute. Oh, come back.
What me I say is, what I was trying to say, them a try force my people in head to them poor. And Lisa talk about them can't buy beef, chicken and fish. They can buy tier 1 ticket though. Tier 1 ticket sell off. The cheapest tier 1 ticket is $125 US. The second one of it 300 and then the other one of it $400. It get more expensive from here going forward. It gets more expensive, and I ask if it they not go sell when them release them again. And it never take long for them sell off. But them are, oh, no, nah, go on, people, poor people are suffer. Wicked, them wicked. And shameless. Because when you see that one named Julian Robinson was stand up in a House of Parliament where you're supposed to do a budget presentation, tell the nation how you would spend their money, how you're going to spend it to benefit their lives, what social programs you would invest in. You stand up to say, people would have rather not do no work, if you sit down and work for $15,000. People would rather sit down at the yard and work for $15,000. People say, what? Oh, it happened to my constituency. You should be ashamed if you know that you can't inspire and uplift and help your people to better themselves to the point where they might work for more than $15,000. Not just at 15, but more than
$15,000. Better me work for $15,000 and not depend on one man about abuse me and have 6-7 different women with me.
Exactly. Exactly. You work for 115. That's nothing. You know, my grandmother always say a single bird in hand is better than 10,000 birds outside.
Exactly. And if you're smart enough, you can make a sacrifice and use even 5, because I miss some business for IG where $5,000 can start off it.